Guys, hey guys, what's going on? This is Dave from Stock Sniper Trading. All right, we are going to run another live session of Tokyo tonight. So let's get down to business, guys. All right, this is the US 30 that I charted on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, I charted down for you on the top down. So now what I'm looking to do is going to go to gold. All right, and we're going to go do a top down analysis on gold leading into charting. Okay. Okay, so let me just grab my link, guys. Let me send it to my team here for 1 second. Okay, guys, sorry, just one pause here. Just sending this to the team right now. Guys, for the people on the call, can you hear some music in the background? Let me know in the chat box if you can. Broski, Brendan, what's going on, buddy? How's camp? Let me know, guys. Let me know if you can hear that music in the background, okay? Alright, this is daily, okay? So we just got a new candle opening right now. Not much volume is going to happen, okay? Let's go. Good morning. Can't hear any music? Okay. Give me 1 second here. Okay. So I'll fix that in a second, guys. I just want to get down to charting just because I don't want to miss any good moves here, okay? Remember, this is 4 hour. All right, so they just started to open up. I'm looking for a definite key area, possibly down here. Dropping it in. All right. Okay. Then we'll drop it down to the hourly, guys. Ross, what's going on, my man? Hope you're good. Guys, we're doing some nice consolidation on gold right now, okay, for potential breakup or breakdown. It's on the hourly, okay? It's still forming a nice little uptrend here. All right, so let's just wait and see. All right, the next area would definitely be the bounce over here. Two formations of support. Okay, let's get down to some business here. Definitely see one more hourly higher time frame good area. Okay. Now we're kind of marked, guys, looking good there. That's a key drop area. Notice how we're hovering above the 200 moving average. Okay. Get nice drops or pops around here, okay, as we've noticed for the last little bit of the calls. So guys, if we start to have some upwards movement here, this thing can have a nice little break. All right, we had a nice little break last night, a real nice break, okay, but then it sold back off, and then it continued, guys. We were trading 1734 areas last night, okay. Okay, this is 30-minute, guys, so we're going to drop down to the 15. What's going on, my man? It's nice to see you too. Welcome back. Thank you for joining. Much respect, much love. Okay, I want to see the 5 minute. I'm going to go up to the 15. Okay, see how we had all this area? Kind of consolidation barcode before the next little move. $15 higher. Definitely have a nice little mark right there. Roughly found some volume there, and definitely here too. Perfect. US 30's already charted, guys. We're ready for it. Okay, US 30's already charted from the top down. Already got it going for you guys. Don't worry, I've been working for you. Working that overtime. Okay, so gold in the 5 minute. I'm trying to get into a more clear area. where we're actually at. Okay, so be patient with me here, guys. Just hear me. Just be patient. Okay, guys, a lot of times what happens with gold is it has a continuation. We had a lot of bullish movement here, all right, from this morning. Okay, if you even want to do, depending on where this candle closes, right there, if you want to do a nice stop loss, nice tighter stop loss for bullish, okay, and then it has a nice little opportunity for a break, and then same thing with bearish down here. I'm looking for more of a bearish break down this area right here, okay. That'll have a nice little clean amount. You can also look for an entry rate around where we are right now, but might have a little bit of a head fake, guys. Okay, it still has opportunity to come down to here and up there right now. Okay, it's 8:58, so at 9 o'clock we're going to see a more erratic candle. Okay, so let's just wait and see what's going to happen with gold. And guys, all I'm looking to do is see if it'll break out of this area of consolidation. All right. So listen, guys, when I put these on here, all right, these are price labels. Okay, if it's bearish here, okay, you know what I mean? That's your entry 1751.32, your stop loss 1752.45, okay? Same thing if you're looking at something like a bullish break, okay, to the upside. And then we'll add as we're going along, okay? So let's see if they're going to find some support here. We'll wait for this 9 o'clock candle, all right? 16 seconds left, guys. All right, so we got 3 seconds left for this new candle. See if they're going to break it down or hold some support. Okay, they're holding it. Be patient here, guys. All right, 1 second here. Okay. All right, guys, so you can see now they're getting rejected in that consolidation area. They made a nice little push to the upside, 1753.68. Selling off here, that's a bearish engulfing candlestick. Okay, so if they're going to keep that bearish momentum, gold can sell here, okay, but definitely, like I said, there's still an opportunity right here because of this previous support that it might hold here, push back up, and then potentially push to the upside, or it's going to hold and sell into this zone right down here, okay? So let's wait and see what's going to happen. And same thing if it's going to come up here, bullish. All right, roughly right around this area first, these previous wicks. Look for sell-off, okay, and then maybe a potential continuation. If they have the hold up here, if they hold it up here like they did prior, and then they're going to start walking their way up here, okay? So that would start to make higher highs and higher lows to the downward side. All right, to the sell, it would make lower highs and lower lows, okay? Okay, remember, guys, the entries right there. Okay, so that hit take profit 1 and it's starting to sell off. All right, so it's going to get some hold up down here for real. All right, so this might reverse, guys. It's still 9 o'clock, so now they make a nice little move to the upside or downside, and then they have a nice little potentially hold here, guys, because look at all this area right over here. It's good support, all right? So let's see if they're going to start to flush it or if they're going to hold it. Okay, so you see how they're starting to reverse it and push it up and hold it here, guys? All right? So just be mindful of that, all right? Be mindful that, like I said, they're breaking here, but there's still good support around this area right here, okay? If it starts to break there, guys, like I said, it can get into roughly the 1749 area, 1748 area. Okay, broke out of the box very nicely, and it's starting to sell off now. Okay, US 30 still making its consolidation move. All right, for the break or the fall. Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna just check my chart here for a second. Let's see gold. There we go, guys. Gold. Okay, just one sec. Just checking the group. GU and GJ. People want to see tonight. Okay, guys. We're later on in the call. We're gonna chart GU and GJ. Okay. And I might add another one. Fish, what's going on, buddy? He's back. 36 loyal people. I like it. I like it. 11 likes, guys. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a boost up. We're in a nice little gold sell here. Yeah. NAS, so I can do too. I don't mind doing NASDAQ. Look at gold, guys. All right. NASDAQ has a head and shoulder. I'm going to leave just every other. I'm not going to erase anything, but it has a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, guys, on the 5 minute. Okay, you can see there. Okay, so boom, hold here, boom, and then it has huge rejection area here. If it starts to break this area, guys, on NASDAQ, okay, this thing's it can really skyrocket. Okay. So let's see what's going to happen with NAS. All right. Remember. Okay, but I also see an uptrend right here. I'll go right back to everything, guys. Don't stress. All right. So, guys, if it starts to get up here, you know what I mean, in roughly this area, you can see there's some consolidation. Oh, sorry. You can see there's some consolidation area there, guys. Okay. So if we're looking for a potential, if it breaks here, nice tight stop loss. Okay. Could funnel in and come up and test the 200. All right. If it's going to get rejected up here, you know what I mean? Here's what we're going to look for here. Couple options here. This thing's going to push up, get rejected, all right, and then sell down here. Okay? If that happens, we'll just watch it. All right? If it doesn't, what's going to happen is it's going to bounce around here. Boom, 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 break. Like I said, come down and test. It might sink a little bit lower to this similar zone and then hold, and then we can have a push up. All right? So those are our two entries right there, guys. Okay, both bullish and bearish. Now remember, guys, these are the entries in the stop loss. Okay, they're tight. All right, scalping is tight stop losses. All right, so understand this. Okay, but that's NASDAQ. All right, charted right there, 5 minutes. US 30 is not getting much movement here. Wow, gold is really selling off, guys. Look at this. Look at this. We caught it. We caught it. Okay, so let's see where the next area roughly could be. Like I said, this area has a lot of. It's a good area for support. Okay. If it starts to break, you're looking to maybe come down roughly around this area simply because that's where a lot of wicks were and they had that bullish power. All right, but we now know that if it gets down there, that these buyers could be around in this, sitting in that area waiting for their buy limits. Okay, and they might end up pushing it back up, guys. But we're catching a nice little gold sell right off the bat. All right. Nice. All right, guys, for the guys that are on the call, you know what I mean? Where are you guys from? I got the initial guys here. I'd like to see, you know what I mean? I got a good visual memory. If I hear you once, let's see if we can see tonight. Yeah, let's eat tonight, boy, man. Selling gold, yeah, gold is in a sell. We just caught it. Okay. Guys, if you can, you know what I mean, give us some likes. You know what I mean? If you're new to the channel, just hit that like button, see what it's about. Much appreciated on that. Do you think US 30 will be in a drop? We'll wait and see here. Okay. And then what's going on, my guys? GJ reversal. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, I'm going to chart these pairs a little later. Okay. Wow, gold is really selling, guys. Look at that. Caught the move. All right, we got Yazan. My man, we'll do the pairs. Trust me. Just let me get a move here on gold, and then let me see what you going on with US 30 and Nasdaq, and then we'll start charting some pairs. Okay. What? Joe, Columbia, man. Nice to see you. Daniel, Halifax. Yes, man. I might have to come out there soon, for real. So I love that air. Seafood is the best, man. 100%. Aaron, what's going on, big man? Happy birthday from yesterday. You know what I mean? Hope it was a good one, dude. I know you've been eating these pips lately, so congratulations, okay? Hassan from Montreal, dude. What's going on? Thank you for joining. Sarfraz from London. Thank you so much for joining, my man. Philip, France. That's crazy, dude. And hope you're having a good time over there right now. Zane, Indonesia. Nice to see you, my man. Thank you for joining. TB, Sydney. Thank you so much, Sydney, Australia. I like it. My man Albert, this guy, we're gonna change some lives with this guy here. Trust me. Shout out to Albert, Miami. I like it. The Globalon UAE, that's crazy, man. So it's good. Okay, guys, look at these guys. We've almost hit our 1, 2, 3 third take profit right within the first 10 minutes of hitting the call, guys. That's if you look at that gold sell. That's a 22 pip move, okay? Let's see if we got US 30 coming up here. All right. I'm looking for an overall break at US 30. I know it's coming in that little consolidation area there. Starts to break there, guys. Like I said, I might even start to move this down here now that I've seen some more movement on it, everything. Okay. I might move this down here. And I might have a little stop loss there. All right. This might be the target, okay, for US 30 right around here. It's going to get some hold up right here. But I just might want to fill that little area right to the side over here, okay? Doug, what's going on, my man? For sure. Daniel, thank you so much, dude. Okay. Okay. We're back. Check out Nasdaq here, guys. Look at Nasdaq forming something, looking like good potential here, okay? Still a lot of that uptrend, all right? $44 people watching, guys. Shout out to you. Let's see what's going to happen with this little bit of Nasdaq, okay? Guys, we're going to session tonight. I'm looking to go to 1 o'clock. Okay, so if you guys want to get your popcorn, you know what I mean? Do what you got to do to stay. But we're going to catch some pips, guys. Last night we caught over 100 pips on gold. All right? Look at Nasdaq, guys. If it breaks here, guys, this thing can push to the upside. All right? Fill this gap. Fill this window right here. This is called a window, okay? The gap it down. Daniel, what's going on, buddy? Thanks for joining, dude. Okay, guys, so now we're having a retest here, okay? So it's going to come back down and test this overall zone. Just because I did mention to you around this area, there's going to be a lot of buyers. You can see it, okay? You know what I mean? You can see it. The wick down in there, and then the buyers started taking control, okay? So we're just dropping zones, all right? So guys, if we're looking for anything, okay, if this thing is going to hold this zone right here, guys, okay, you can enter in, like I said, another short with a stop loss of there. Okay, if it starts to break below here, all right, it starts to break 1748, you can enter in another sell. Okay, that's going to start to create lower highs and lower lows, all right. So that would be roughly getting down in this area, and the target would be definitely right there. That was the initial wick. So Okay, so like I said, if it starts to fall below here, you know what I mean, you can maybe look to get in another sell. Okay, let's just wait and see. There's a lot of selling pressure here. Okay, and if it starts to break, if you're in the sell and it starts to break above this zone around 1749 area, okay, this is your, like, you can look to maybe take more profit up here. Okay, like right now you should be taking some partials, all right, that you're in good profit. Okay, but we're looking for the overall, like I said, direction. That could have been just a quick scalp, right? 9 a.m. or sorry, 9 p.m. Just kind of getting, they're starting to pump some liquidity back in the market. Okay, so what we're looking for now is like our retest, guys, and our breakdowns. Okay, so like I said, if gold's going to break below here, it's got to do the same thing. Boom, have that come back up and test exactly what it's doing right here, guys. See, it held right here, and now it's pointing up and it's retesting there again. Okay, if it's holding there and it sells, it's going to be into a sell. All right, it didn't do that like how we just, you see this right here. Some guys might question me. Okay, you see that break here, all right, and then the next candle opened and broke down. Okay, guys, that's just bearish trend. Okay, so that was a continuation from this bearish engulfing candlestick right here. Okay, so that was the nice trade. That was the trade right there. So if we caught that, you know what I mean, boom, break into the actual consolidation area here, right, hold, and then start to sell off. Once it started broke here, that was the initial entry for the way that we're looking. Okay, so but again, like I said, gold can eventually reverse. Okay, but it's been pretty bearish lately, so we'll see if we're just going to hold that trade. Okay, okay, so let me just check these comments, guys. I checked the comments on my phone, so bear with me. Okay, I'm going to check the US 30 for 1 second here, guys. All right, and then I'm going to check NASDAQ. Okay, so look at NASDAQ. All right, if it starts to break this area right here, guys, like I said, that's the entry 14,991. Okay, and with a stop loss of roughly, that's what it looks like. All right, have this consolidation area right here. Okay, holding support. Let's see. Okay, this is the move we're looking for here. We're looking for, like I said, for the guys who are just starting on, we're looking to fill this window right here to the upside. Okay, for NASDAQ. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to chart GU. Okay, I'm going to go on the 4-hour here. Guys, if you're watching, oh, look at that, guys. Okay, so this is the 4-hour. So what I see, guys, definite uptrend. I'm going to hold it right to there. Okay, 4-hour. Definitely have some area right there. And now we're consolidating right around the 200. Guys, can I just, like, tomorrow I'll go over something in 1 second with you, but I'll explain why they're pushing it right above here and hovering it right around this area. Okay, do you see that heavy downtrend, guys? See how it's been on a steady, like, not like a huge dropping trend, but from all the way up there, it's been steady downwards. Okay, that's a channel. Okay, guys, so if you're looking at, maybe looking to chart or however it may be, you'd roughly come from there to there, or right there. Okay, boom, have that trend. You might want to have it a bit lower, guys, sorry. Roughly right around there. Perfect. Just because you want to catch the bottom of these wicks. As soon as it broke above there, guys, look at that bullish pressure. Now we're pushing to the upside. All right. So now what we're looking to do is find overall support and resistance on higher time frames. Okay, and break it down. GU is going to consolidate. I'm going to tell you this. for a little bit around this area simply because of the news tomorrow morning. Okay, big news starting at 2. All right, but now they're finding some support above the actual 200 on the 30-minute. We'll see if they're going to push or they're actually going to have a pull. Okay, that's where that big bullish momentum started. So we're trading in there. Let's go to the 15. All right. So what I see is that trap, okay? Tighten this up. See how they tried to break it out twice and then push back in? Okay, this on the 15-minute. Let's drop down to the 5. Okay, nice area of consolidation. See how there is a double bottom here, guys? On GU. Push down, up, push down, W, and then they sold it off, did some heavy retest, holding support roughly at 1.38, right? And they pushed it back up, found some retest here, and then pushed. Okay. Not a big move, but that's a classic double bottom, all right? And okay. Okay, sorry guys, I'm just using my crosshair to determine what the next kind of take profit would be, roughly. Yeah, it's too tight. It's like maybe a pip. All right, so that would be the overall move. And it's breaking 1.3881, okay? And then same thing if it's going to sell here. Okay, definitely going to have, we're going to see some minor hold up right around here, guys. All right, there's bottom wicks and there's the 200. Okay, if it's in a sell. See these two wicks right there? Okay, they bounced. Now they're starting, when this starts to curl up, they're going to form into roughly 200. So we're going to see if these are going to have impact on if it goes bearish. All right. Okay. Roughly a 9 pip box. Okay. For breakouts, and we're looking for the overall moves here, continuations, guys. Okay, this is just on the 5-minute, remember. All right, pairs, like I said, you want, like, a lot of people trade pairs in higher time frames because, you know what I mean, they can get good pips. But like I said, you get the breakouts here, guys. You start to run 10, 15 pips, you know what I mean, 17 pips, 16 pips for that breakout to there. Okay, and same here. Okay, 17 pips, 9 pip stop loss, which will adjust when we get into trades. Okay. And then, like I said, we're just going to fall down here if it falls, or we're going to push to the upside. You know what I mean? We have good opportunities for both. Okay, guys, so that's GU. Fatima, no, I didn't enter anything yet. Okay, just getting the charting done. Okay, hovering around here. Consolidation for the break. All right, not, like I said, they don't always happen exactly like that, but I'm showing you the key areas of where price could get held up. Okay, and then we start to fall in this area right here because of this double bottom forming that formed over here. Okay, and then we're looking for the break. All right. Okay, so that's GU. Okay, let's check out some other stuff that we've done so far. Okay, so US 30 is in the buy, guys. All right, it's looking like it's potentially forming some nice buying opportunity. Okay, I think gold maybe might have found a little bit of bounce. Yep. Okay, guys. So remember I told you, look to take your profit down there. It's found that little support. Okay, so let's see now if it's actually going to hold there or if it's actually going to have a nice little potential breakout here to the upside. Okay, we'll wait and see. And what I'm looking for is if it breaks here, guys, it's going to be really key area. Okay, and if it actually right up here, the 1750.74. Okay, if it breaks up there, guys, like I said, that's annulling kind of the downtrend. Okay, turning it into some higher highs, potentially some breaking this, like I said, right here. So we'll just wait and see. They pushed it up through. They actually, if you really want to dive into it, okay, see how they pushed this wick up higher than this candle right there. It broke through. So they did break there. So that's what I'm saying. All right. So what I'm looking for, guys, now is maybe something like this. I might play it safe a little bit. Okay, we know there's a lot of bullish momentum coming in here. What I'm looking for is gold to maybe fall into this area right here. Okay, so shoot up. See how it's coming down here? Found some support right at this wick right here and then closed above it. All right, before I changed and charted, I mentioned that. And I did say if it breaks above here, it's going to come up. Okay, what I'm looking for in my next move is start to maybe get up in this consolidation area, fall down, hold some support here because they broke it down on this candle, found some support, and now they're pushing up. And then I want to see if it's going to be maybe into a buy. Okay, if that makes sense. I'll do it. I'll walk through you again. And the same rules apply here, guys. Stop loss 1750.74, entry point 1751.32. It's roughly right around here. Okay, so let's wait and see. Guys, it might be quick scalp session. Okay, what I mean by that is last night we had a massive breakout for real. That thing just didn't stop. It was a beast. Okay, sometimes, like I said, you might get nice little 20 pip moves, 20 pip moves. Okay, that's what might happen. So we'll just wait and see. All right. Roughly at 1751. Okay. And if it doesn't, guys, if it doesn't get up here and gets sold off, like I said, we'll continue to hold the sell when I'll show you then another sell entry. Okay. If it gets rejected, watch. If it starts to make that nice little uptrend here, gets rejected there, selling off, okay, then we can look at getting in a sell basically at this little break here, okay? Because if not, that might just be a quick retracement. Guys, gold was very bullish all day. Like, for real, gold was very bullish all day. If you want to see it, it's been very bullish, okay? That news this morning hit hard. Quick little sell-off. We scalped that, okay? And then, you know what I mean? It was very bullish after that, okay? So just keep that in mind. Okay, that's gold on our 5-minute. Check out our US 30. Okay, it's still forming a little bit of an uptrend. They got to start breaking these previous wicks right here. So you see right at pretty much the arrow. See how they're getting held at resistance? Okay, they got to start to break above that now for a continuation. Okay, and then you're going to expect the next little area for if it's bullish, right around here. Okay, just because all the wicks. Okay, but it's starting to now, so that's looking potentially nice. Let's see if they're going to gain some more volume to the upside. Okay, this is a neckline break here, guys. I can see potential forming here. They hit it there up top. Boom. Now they're finding some support. You see how they're starting to walk the way up a little bit? If it starts to break up here, okay, maybe we'll hold, and then maybe we'll get a breakthrough for this neckline, which has pretty much been acting as resistance, okay? So there's a lot of opportunities for this to happen. Let's just wait and see. Okay, and obviously down here, guys, the sell, I'm just going to take that off because it is trying to... sorry, I didn't put any price label on there. It's my bad. Okay, and obviously your stop loss wouldn't be down here. That was just key areas, so you want to have maybe a tighter stop loss if you're going to take that. Like I said, there's still a lot of selling pressure there, a lot of resistance. So I'd maybe just wait and hold. Just hold off on a second here, okay? Because it might actually end up turning bearish, all right? And then if it's the break, guys, like I said, the breakdown would roughly be right around 35,450, all right? Stop loss roughly there. It's kind of a bigger zone, you know what I mean? Like it's still on an uptrend. I can see from down here, like you see the nice little uptrend with all those candles. So we'll see if they're going to hold it. But like I said, if it's going to sell, it's going to sell. Okay, it's going to start to break that little uptrend on the 5. Then it's going to come down in here, and then we can look for our opportunities right around this area, right down here. Okay, like right around this area. That would be a sell. Okay, if it starts to drop below there. All right, let's check out NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ, guys. It pushed through, okay? Okay, I think NASDAQ could probably continue bullish here. Let's wait and see. At least maybe up to the 200 area. I'm going to guess your first... Definitely, if it breaks to the upside, that's going to be a number 1 take profit. And then we can walk our way up and see if we get there initially, okay? This is NASDAQ on the 5-minute. Okay, we have NASDAQ. Now we have gold. Okay, remember we're looking for that uptrend there. If it holds there and sells off, we're still in the sell. That might another sell opportunity, okay? But we're coming to that key area, 1751. So let's just wait and see. We have GU. Okay, GU sold off. Huge. Remember, guys, these pairs on like Tokyo session, they don't always move. And one thing I wanted to show you is so tomorrow's news, guys. If you see this, you'll notice that at 8:30 a.m. we have U.S. news, but GU, look at this. Look at all this news here, guys. A lot of it's not red folder, so it's not high impact, but the 2 a.m. prelim GDP will have definitely some impact tomorrow. Why traders care? It's the broadcast measure of economic activity and the primary gauge of the economic health. Okay, so it's going to have a nice little impact on the market. Keep in mind, it's not just like the red folder here, which is PPIMM. Okay, so if you look here, okay. Why traders care? It's a leading indicator in consumer inflation. When when producers charge more for goods and services, the higher costs are more usually passed on to the consumer. Okay, so that's going to have a nice little impact on the currency for sure. Probably similar to how gold reacted today and US 30. Okay, so definitely for trading those guys, make sure you're using small stop loss. Tighter stop loss or a wider one if you understand how to trade like that. And maybe not over leverage. Okay, definitely on red folders. And then we have 1 p.m. news, the 30 bond yield action. This will probably have a nice little impact on US 30. So let's just wait. Not on US 30, but on the US dollar. So let's just wait and see what happens there. So if you want to see what this one's about, okay, you just click on that folder. Obviously, they give me a paragraph. Yields are set by bond markets investors, and therefore they can be used to decipher investors' outlook of future interest rates. The bid to cover ratio presents bond market liquidity and demand, which can be a gauge of the investor confidence. Okay, so this one will have an impact. You'll see some good movement at actually 1 p.m. Okay, and tomorrow, guys, for our live snipers, we're doing Sniper Power Hour from 3 to 4. So we'll be trading live for you guys privately. So I'm excited for that too. Okay, so back to trading, guys. That was just some of the Forex news. So GU might just be going to prime up for a little consolidation phase before moving to the next area. And then when you have London open, like I said, it might have some more impact on that, okay? All right, so let's just check out US 30 for a second here. All right. Have a nice little potential uptrend. Okay, they're still forming there. It's still entering, but it's still getting rejected here, guys. Okay, so it's still getting rejected at 35,474. Okay, nice. Okay, look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ's starting to go into profits, guys. It's looking good. I told you, when you see these windows, guys, generally they want to fill them. Okay, so it's nice that they do. But one thing to also keep in mind is this area. Look at this resistance here. Okay. So just keep this in mind when you're trading this, guys. Like, I wouldn't buy at the high right now, simply because, you know what I mean, you might get chased out with FOMO, okay, and they might just sell it off. All right. So if that's the case, guys, if you're looking for anything, I'm sorry I'm making it a little messy for you guys right now, but that would be, if it's going to be a sell, like I said, if it doesn't break through there, like I said, this would be the option. I'm not going to take a sell right now just because there's a lot of buyers still in the market, okay? But if it starts to get up to this area and then sell off, guys, it would look something like this. It's starting to push, like it's that steady uptrend from down here. So I'm saying start to get rejected here. It might push through a little bit more, and then if it sells off, it falls down there. But like I said, anything can happen right now. It's still Tokyo session, but we're having some nice push up on NASDAQ at the moment, okay? So I just hit take profit 1, all right? So that would be roughly like right there. We're looking at not too many pips, but like I said, they add up, okay? You're at 3 pips so far, okay? We want the overall bigger moves, okay? We're looking for this uptrend to continue, all right? Because we want it to get up to there, guys. This is where we want it. This is the area right here, okay? These top two wicks. Will we get there tonight? Not necessarily sure, but we'll wait and see, okay? Let's check out GU for a second. Okay, so GU found some good support in that consolidation area. All right, so that's nice. Just waiting now. You know what I mean? Like I said, GU might just do its thing for a little bit. Okay, here you go. This is US 30, guys, on the 5-minute. All right, so see how they got rejected. Did explain to you that the same thing happened with GJ yesterday. Like these many wicks, they're pushing it down 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Right? They're eventually going to get, they're going to be weak and they're going to sell off. All right. And then the sellers, like I said, as soon as that happens, sellers take over. Okay. Try to push it back down, but remember, there's still that 5-minute uptrend. Okay. If it starts to break down here and hold below, guys, like I said, this is the key roughly area that you want to hold for maybe the breakdown, right at 35,458. Okay. Cool, guys. 67 subs, 32 likes, guys. Can you give me to 40? You know what I mean? Try to give me some 40 likes, guys. It just helps the video trend. And trust me when I say we're doing good things, and so you can feel confident with actually, you know what I mean, promoting that. Okay, so. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen with gold. Ideally, we want it to break above here, guys, and start to get to 1752. Okay, gold is very bullish. Okay, so gold is trying to break through, guys. It's priming up. Okay, let's wait and see what's going to push or pull there. Let's see NASDAQ for a second. So NASDAQ pushed up, guys. See how it's getting some, basically some retest and some hold. Okay, right at the 14,998. Okay, so getting rejected there. Okay, like I said, just be patient with this. They just broke it, guys. Okay, now they might be retesting the entry. All right, let's see if they're going to hold. Look at US 30, guys. There's no volume in US 30. Okay, they tried to dump it, but then the new candle opened and they pumped it back up. This 5-minute uptrend is like holding good, some good support right now. Okay, let's see if it's going to try to push. Okay, there we go, guys. Okay, so gold is still trying to make its next move. We might, like I said, see that around 9:45, maybe around 10 o'clock. Okay. but we'll wait and see here. All right, there's no confirmed entry yet. Don't try to jump the gun, guys. All right, I wouldn't, just personally, just in case they do try to sell it off into this area yet again. You'd be more panicked. Okay, wait for the initial break. We want to retest and like I said, more of a confirmation. Okay, there's NASDAQ getting rejected there, so holding good resistance at that 14,998. Okay, let's see if they're going to push up here. Okay, guys. So you're still in good. You're still in good if you did take this trade. Okay, but like I said, if it starts to break down here again, just don't stress. They're trying to basically do a retest. They're trying to test this window, see how strong it is. Okay. US 30 still selling off. Okay, now we're finding some more volume. Okay, see they're trying to push it back up there, guys. That's crazy. There's a minute and 27 seconds left on this candle. Okay, let's go check out, maybe tighten this up a little bit there. Looking good. Perfect. There we go. Okay, so that's US 30, guys. NASDAQ still getting rejected there. Look for that retest. Gold is still holding in that stop loss area. All right, so there's not much movement, not much push. Okay. Let's chew. There's GU, guys. Look at GU. They bounced it. Told you. That's why I said don't enter in that sell just yet. Wait for these overall bounces. Okay. They've tested here twice, so maybe look for it to break here, but we got to see if it's going to hold. Okay. Let's check out GJ. Okie dokie. Go from. Guys, watch the pairs if you can for me, okay? Guys, look at this. GJ, we charted this a while ago. Okay, nice head and shoulder pattern break. Boom. Let's go on hourly. Perfect. Classic. Right there. Another resistance there. Tried 4 times, guys. Pushed it up. Insanity. Okay. All right. So we're on 1 hour now. Okay, we got going on there. Just looking at how it is, guys. Just looking at how GJ is. Look at all this chop right now, guys. Chop. This is garbage trading, guys. Okay, we have some nice zones right here. Let's dissect these. Go back to the 4 hour for 1 second here. Okay, good. See this, guys? This is classic right here. Okay. Consolidation, trap, and gap. Boom, trapped it, exploded out, now pushing back in there. I think that was one we actually sent to our group. Okay, so now they might actually be. That's crazy how I didn't think it. There we go. Okay, so they're pushing it back into that consolidation area, guys. This is 4 hour. Okay, so keep that in mind. See, it's all that junk. So if, guys, if it starts to break below here, you're getting a lot of this wick too. All right, but Give me 1 second, guys. I'll go back to it. There we go, guys. There you go. That's why I didn't know it. Guys, good. I'm happy with that. You see that? That's why you don't prematurely enter. Okay? That's why. That's why you don't prematurely enter, guys. Do you see why? If I had have told you to go enter in here, you would have got a good amount of pips. So look at that sell-off. Okay? Right? That's why you never buy at the high. You have wait for confirmation. Okay? So guys, that's still in that sell. Okay? If it's going to be another sell here, that's what we're looking for. All right? It's still in that uptrend. Okay? So let's just wait and see. Now, what we're looking for is it to start to break this area right here. See this area right here? Okay? If it starts to break there, guys, it's going to come back down and then test this area right here. All right? If it's got to break there to continue. Okay? But it's got to get to this area first. If not, it might come back down to this support and then push to the upside again. Okay? This is a break and actually a overall retest on the 5-minute gap. Okay? You see what I'm saying? So like, it broke, okay? Found some support down there, breaking up again. Now it could be retesting to actually hold that continued downtrend. Let's wait and see, okay? But the buy, guys, is right here. I just hopefully you didn't prematurely enter. You know what I mean? Like for real. Hopefully you listened, okay? So let's just wait and see what's going to happen here. Give me 1 second. Getting some comments in here, guys. It's hard for me to read it on the screens. That's 8 pips and a sell-off. A little bit of a dump, reach 50% bearish candle. Yeah, man. So the reason why I was just saying it's a sell, okay, continuation, is because it didn't break above here, guys. Like I said, this is the area that you're looking for the flip, okay? Maybe for buyers coming in the market, 1751.3. You know what I mean? If you took that sell right there initially, you know what I mean, you would have got pips, or like I said, the buyers pushed it back up. So let's just wait and see if they're going to hold it above here or if they're going to push it. But you can see they're forming good support, okay? New candle's opening. We'll wait and see. We're just going to slowly move this over. Guys, if you haven't traded with me before, you know what I mean? I trade a little differently, okay? For real. It's a little different than most people. I use a lot of these for stop losses just to show you where to get in, where to get out, okay? So this is the entry point right here, guys, 1751.32. If it breaks above here, all right? Let's check out US 30 for 1 second. Okay, US 30 went to the downside, okay? No confirmed entry, guys. Like they didn't break above that at all. Like that was key at 35,474. Okay, like there's nothing pushing up. So guys, if you were in a buy here because you saw this break, you should have been taking, like, you should have just exited the trade. Look at all that rejection there, okay? It's heavy, 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 heavy. All right, so let's just wait and see. I usually generally would use buy stops and sell stops. Okay, market execution, you can get filled, and you know what I mean, it can fill you pretty much wherever it wants, okay, depending on where the broker spread is and stuff like that. So yeah, dude, retracement, pullback, absolutely. You know what I mean? Been on a downward movement here, trying to pull back. Now it's selling off again. Okay, it's also, like I said, that break and retest. Remember what I talk about? Okay, they pushed it down here, found some support, retested the entry. Now they're looking to sell it off again. Okay, so let's just wait and see here, guys. All right, guys, let me see this for 1 second here. Okay. So like I said, if you're in that sell, guys, look to maybe take some partials out, depending if you got in from up here. Like I said, if you sold off from up here, guys, roughly down to here, maybe 10 pips, okay? guys, you don't like when we collect these massive pips and stuff like that. Like that's just blessed, okay? But real scalping at night in Tokyo session, you know what I mean? It's scalping in and out, in and out. It's not always the easiest movements, okay? So just keep that in mind, all right? So like I said, if it starts to break here, guys, the 1749, and then it starts to break 1749 actually on the dot, then you know what I mean? You can look at maybe taking another sell, okay? Maybe I'll draw it for you just so you can understand. Starts to break there, guys. At least come down to there, but I want it down to here, okay? If it starts to break down here, guys, that's making the higher high and the lower high, lower low. Boom, okay? Tracement, break here, all right? With a retest, hopefully it doesn't reverse because that could be a W pattern. But then come down there, guys, and continue that lower low pattern, okay? Lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, okay? Downtrend. All right, so let's wait and see. If it flips, guys, like I said, this is the buy area now. All right, 1751. Okay, US 30 is just holding right now. Okay. Let's check out NASDAQ. Okay, sold off and held some support. Okay, so they're still holding that trend. Still holding that uptrend. All right, so that's a good sign. If they, remember how I said, guys, if it got to there, 14,998 might be a sell. If you were scalping it, that could be, you know what I mean? That could have been a nice little trade. Obviously, we thought it was maybe going to go a little bullish, but that was not the case. Okay, so let's just see now how this is actually going to continue to play out for the next candles. All right, if we're going to have a sell, guys, it's looking at probably around this area right here. Okay, maybe a stop loss roughly of there. Will have a fallen. If not, guys, it might hold some support here. Okay, it might hold support around this area before maybe making a bounce to the upside. Okay, so let's wait and see how these candles close here. Just showing you the options of how the market can play out. Okay. US 30 still kind of consolidating. Gold made a little nice little bounce there, guys. So there's no entry. Do you see how, guys? This is important stuff. Like if you can see this, there's no entry that wicked right at the entry. All right. So you need it to break down below here, guys, to get into this area right around here for any kind of an entry. All right. If not, it's just going to bounce back up. Maybe then continue to make the higher high, break above here, and then we'll continue that pattern. Okay. But we got to wait and see. All right. We have the sell and the buy areas on gold. Look at GU, guys, trying to make its way to the upside. Okay, there's GU. Okay, guys, and quickly, if you've never been in the channel before, you know what I mean, we have a website, all right, stocksnipertrading.com. Just head over there, guys. You can check out the front page, you know what I mean, see what we're about. Okay, but just scroll down maybe to the like the newsletter area. All right, enter in your email. Okay, I'm not gonna send you any like spam or anything like that. Okay, I don't want to be a part of that. What I'm just gonna send you are some blogs, maybe some market updates, different things like that. Okay, so learn how we caught 55 pips on gold. Send out this today yesterday to our guys. Nice little intro chart explaining MT4 ticket. Ron took this yesterday, okay, and then we break it down ABCD with, you know what I mean, why we took that trade, some psychology. All right, some of the other ones they have videos. Okay, red folder news, gold. Okay, nice little buy sell. All right. I did this chart. It's pretty nice, guys. Like I said, it had a nice little bullish pennant breakout for the continuation, and then it consolidated, and we got that sell-off. Okay. Include the news of how it had happened, what happened, breakdown. There's my gold sell right there. Okay. And then there's the live video of it happened. So you can check that out, guys, if you want. And we do have, like I said, a VIP member, not a VIP, like just like a mentorship program. Okay, we trade live for you guys. Like we have Sniper Power Hour and stuff like that. We do weekly webinars. We've done 2 so far this week, and like I said, you get some trade ideas sent to the group per day. So if it's something you want to check it out, guys, always make sure to pay it forward and help everyone. You know, that's why we stream live on YouTube for you guys. Okay, so you know, check it out and just like give us some feedback too of what you think. Okay, so much appreciated. So the GU's trying to break above, guys. Okay, you can check it out. And guys, lastly, at the top of the screen in the chat box, okay, you'll see the pin message. Join our free Telegram group. You know what I mean? You can definitely see what we're about and how we do things there. Okay, so it's absolutely free, and so just subscribe and you're good to go. Okay. So US 30s guys still attempting there. They didn't actually fully sell it off. Okay, it's very slow tonight. Remember, it's not even 10 o'clock yet. Still 9:52. All right, so not much movement just yet. It's still Tokyo session. Keep this in mind. All right. Gold. Okay. Making a move. Okay, we'll see if we're going to get some nice sell-off power here, or if they're going to actually hold that uptrend and they're going to go into the bullish momentum. Let's just wait and see, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back to GJ. Okay. So remember, guys, we have the higher time frame still wicked. Okay. Let me see this for a second here. Okay, and I see a nice little parallel channel here, guys. Okay, so we're forming down this on the 5-minute. Keep this in mind. Okay, so we have a downtrend here, keeping it down, starting to break above. See the 200 now crossing, dropping below. So we're in a downtrend right now, guys. You can see it's a descending parallel channel here. All right. So now when we dive in, this is choppy, guys. Like, this is very choppy. Okay. So if we're looking for anything, all right, if it starts to break here, guys, this area. Okay, starts to break this area, guys. Like I said, might be looking for some selling opportunities, so I can get back. But it's still, guys, it's still on that nice little uptrend. Okay, so GJ, I'm going to wait for. Okay, I'm just waiting for this key area right here. Just seeing some comments here, guys. I try to read as much of your comments as I can because I respect it. GU market makers are working their accumulation at this finest. Yeah, man, for sure, dude, they are. Absolutely, dude, because we know there's news. Remember this, guys. Keep this in mind. 2 a.m. news if you just joined the call. 2 a.m. Big news tomorrow morning, okay? So, if anything, what we're looking for is if it holds here, guys, like I said, stop loss might have to be a little bit wider, okay? But it might have a little trace and fall in there and might come back up and test the 200, all right? If not, what we're looking to do, guys, is have a break of the overall higher time frame uptrend, okay? And then it's going to be into a nice little sell, guys, to get into maybe this box area, okay? So it's two options for GJ. Let's wait and see how this is going to play out. Okay, I'm going to put that one up there just simply because that's a high wick, okay? TP would be right here. Okay, and then obviously the entry was down here, okay? Looking for TPs. And then obviously we have the downward trend of this box. No, gold rejected, guys. Look at that. Okay, held support. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about. We'll go back. Okay, look at this, guys. So they held some support. Okay, look, guys. There's a reason why I put it at these entries. Look, there's no entry there. It didn't break below. Okay, did not break below at all. Now they're looking for that that possible bullish momentum here. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, just checking the spreads, guys, so everything's looking. Okay, 2 minutes and 35 seconds left, guys. Let's go back to GJ for a second here. Okay, remember, guys, still in that downtrend. Okay, nice tight stop loss. 5 pips. We're looking for a little breakdown even more. Okay, I'd ideally like this thing to get down to this area if it starts to sell off even more. Okay, I'm thinking roughly this zone. Have some good hold up around here for sure. Okay, but then maybe then down to the bottom. Okay. GBP odd. Okay, let's check that one out. Let's check a GU for a second. Okay, it's still trying to push up, getting rejected there. All right, not much movement happening on GU right now. US 30 is just garbage tonight right now. Gold is still finding that support there, guys. It's looking good. They're starting to find good momentum here. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You don't sell. You don't, like, that's an opportunity too, but it's got to break below it. You know what I mean? If you're trigger happy pushing it first, it's not, you're buying on impulse. Okay, what you needed to have happen was for the entry, come down in this area similar to what it did right here. Okay, collect some pips, and then have that retracement. Same thing what it did right there. And then if it retraces and holds, it's going to sell off more. Okay, but now it didn't, guys. Now that turned into a bullish engulfing candlestick. That's a powerful candlestick right there. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here. They're starting to push it up. Let's see, this is going to break right above here, guys. 1751. That's the break up here, 1751. Don't chase already. All right. Okay. Oh, shit, I wish I had this before. Wow, that's a movement right there, guys. She breaks here, this fireworks. Sorry, guys, it doesn't always grab it. This 30 minutes can go down to 15 now. Look at this, guys. Look at this consolidation. Then we have a nice uptrend here. Wow, that's powerful bullish momentum, guys. Look, a steady uptrend. You see how they push it down? The buyers took it right back up. Look at that. That's huge. Okay, 15 minute. We might charts on the 15 minutes, guys. She breaks there. I said as opportunity. Okay, nice. Maybe use tighter stop loss roughly right around here. If that's the break to the upside, okay. If it's going to sell off, probably roughly right around there. That's where I got rejected before. Okay, so we can use that as our stop loss. Okay, and I'm also looking, guys, I'm not just making this up either. Look, see this, all this action right there? Look at this. See all that consolidation, guys? So I do, it's not like I'm just doing this to say, oh, you know what I mean? I think it's going to go here, right? Like, you think I'm not here to just fool around. Like, look at this, guys. I'm charting this. I'm taking the time out of my time. Like, you know what I mean? We're here to make some pips, all right? That's the sell. Okay, then it's going to maybe break down to here, that area. Okay, if that's going to sell off. Okay, it has a lot of opportunity to go bullish too. You're probably wondering, like, what are my key areas? Absolutely. Let's talk about this. It's on the 15-minute. Remember this. Okay. We're gonna go. We'll session tonight, guys. Okay, so I don't mind doing it on 15s, a little higher time frames. Okay, roughly right there. And what we're looking for is a push above the 200. You're going to get some fireworks. It's definitely going to sell right back off, okay? Around in this area right here, okay? But if it holds, it might continue. Okay, that's what we're looking for. If not, guys, what's going to happen is it's going to find momentum there and then sell off, okay? But guys, like, key indication right here. See that candle right there? That's a bullish engulfing candlestick. There's a lot of power here, okay? A lot of power, all right? So let's just wait and see how this is going to go. Guys, trading view sometimes is such a pain in the butt. You know what I mean? It has next potential, guys. Roughly right there. That's what I'm looking at. That area on this time frame, 15-minute, looks good. One second, guys. Okay, I want to publish this. Give me a sec. One second. Just sending this to the group, guys. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to gold now. Let's check what's going on with US 30 first. Sorry. US 30 still on that nice bullish momentum right now. Okay. See how they found that support. Looking good so far. All right, let's see if they're going to hold it. Let's see, GU getting rejected, guys, so they want to keep that in there. Okay, let's see, GJ. Oh shit, GJ broke out, guys. Look at this. Damn it! You guys didn't tell me, guys. Literally, that was the trade. Fuck. That was the buy, guys. That was the buy. I wish someone told me, guys. I'm gonna put multiple charts on my screens. Okay. There we go, guys. Look at that head fake. Okay, now selling pressure. Didn't even get up to the buy, guys. Look at this. Wow, look at that. Sellers. Sellers come to play, guys. Look to take profit, guys, right around here, 1748. Okay? Oof. All right, look at gold, guys. Buy confirmed, not there. That's a bearish engulfing candlestick. Let's see if we're going to get a nice little push. Nice little push, okay? But again, I see how it got wicked out there, guys. I just don't want it to come back down here, okay? Get rejected again, because it's key, guys. Remember this. It's a key area. And we need it to break. This is the buy right up here, okay? Keep this in mind. It's still the buy area. Let's check out NASDAQ. Look at that. Found it again, now making its way up, guys. Daniel, this one's for you, buddy. I specifically did this one for you. Hopefully you're still in that buy. All right. Look at that, guys. Let's see if they're going to fill it or push. I do actually. Yeah, I can set them if I want. I didn't know if people wanted to see it how it goes like that. Okay. So now I added the alerts, guys. Okay. So GBP odd. That's for the breakout. Guys, we're gonna session tonight, okay? For real. I'll set it all for you guys. We'll set GU, we'll set everything. Why not? If you guys want the alerts, I didn't know if you minded it or not. We can do it. Ooh, gold, guys. Guys. Okay, so now guys, what I'm looking for, that was a quick scalp. Okay, for real. Understand this. I told you before, this is scalping because I'm noticing a pattern that's developing actually on a higher time frame. Okay. All right. Take your profits, guys. Like I said, that was the same thing that's going to happen. That's going to happen here. Okay, so that's why I drew it across. Okay, that was take profit roughly for about maybe 8 pips, 9 pips, 10 pips, depending. Okay, but what I'm noticing now, guys, is if it's not going to break through here, guys, if it's going to hold and continue downwards, like I said, that's all gravy, no worries, okay? But if it starts to break above here, okay, what I'm noticing is something like double bottom forming, okay, because they bounce right at the same area. Wait and see. So they selling off, okay, here, forming. All right, it might come back here because look, right in the consolidation area, guys. See, that would be the neckline, and if it starts to break, it could slowly start working its way up here. Okay, maybe get back to 1753. I'm not entirely sure, but like I said, I'm just seeing this starting to form. Okay, if it's not going to happen, like I said, the sellers are going to tell us right away. Okay, but keep that in mind. All right. Okay. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. We'll just patiently wait here. Okay, let's see if it's going to sell here. Rejection, purse down. Okay. Okay, let's see GJ. Check, let's maybe hold on gold for a second here. Okay, indecision right now, looking to push up, okay? Let's go to GBP on the 15-minute. Okay. Take a picture here, guys. Give me 1 second here. Oh. Okay, so GU guys, look at this. Look at that massive rejection there, okay? Nice little sell-off here. Maybe watch GU for a little second, okay? Watch gold and watch everything else, okay? Let's see if gold, this is going to break. Give me 1 sec here, guys. See how it's selling off? Looking pretty good so far. US 30. Okay, it's not good tonight, guys. Not good tonight. Remember, the overall break for US 30 is 35,459. Okay, then GU, like I said back, it's starting to push down. Let's wait and see here. Okay, so that GJ trade. Oh my God, guys, you gotta look at this. GJ's still walking up. Like I said, it's looking good. We'll see here. Look at this opportunity for the breakout. Look at GJ. Fuck, man, I wish we. Jakarta, what's going on, man? Good morning. Nice to see you. Okay, guys, if it breaks the 200 right here, the thing's gonna have some fireworks. Okay, let's see. Okay. Euro. Oh my God, why didn't we trade the euro? Fuck's sakes. Okay, guys, we missed the euro. We'll still we got a lot going on right now. Okay, I want to see GBP odd first. Okay, still consolidating. Not getting much time there. Have those alerts. Okay, GJ still forming the potential buy. Okay, maybe I'll chart euro USD, guys. Okay, I'll go from the 4-hour down. Okay, guys, look what we got to work with here. Okay, guys, do you like when I'm doing this charting for you? Do you guys like this? Okay, put it in the chat box. If you like it, just say you do. Okay, just let me know. Let me know. Okay, it helps you guys too. I think I hope it does. You know what I mean? I'm getting deep ones, guys, so just keep that in mind. Okay, those are deep. 4 hours, okay? Fuck, Euro's breaking down, guys. Go to the hourly. We're missing the initial break, guys. Okay. Okay. Guys, if you see anything also, let me know what's going on. Let's check out gold real quick. I think we're still selling, guys. Yeah, we sold off. We found some good support there again, guys. Okay, let's keep that in mind. We did sell off. Okay. Putting there. So it's finding some support, guys. If it sells off some more, okay, you know what I mean? If it breaks through here, guys, you can look for an entry if it breaks 1748.83, because it can get to 1748, definitely down to this area here. Only if it breaks, guys. If it starts to push back up, you know what I mean? I just leave it. I'd leave that trade. Okay, Euro USD, I gotta go back 1 second. Okay. See the 15-minute here, guys. What's that pip box here? Give me 1 sec. It's 26 pips. Okay, it's too much. You guys, give me 1 second here, okay? It's in a different area for me, okay? Because I usually look for consolidations, but I think this is gonna fall. Okay, if I would have liked to already had this drawn, you know what I mean? Because we would have caught this, all right? I don't want to just, you know what I mean? Like, if anything, guys, that's the buy area if it's gonna hold here, okay? The stop loss of there. All right. Looking to push to the upside, okay? If it's short, guys, we're looking at this. You know what I mean? You can even move it up here too, guys. Have your stop loss. That's how I would do this. Honestly, I know it's a little bit weird. Give me 1 second here. I'll explain to you this. That's the stop loss for the sell. This would be the entry right there. Okay? See what I'm saying? But now, because we're already in that area, like I said, I'd be looking for here for the buy. Keeping that consolidation, you know what I mean? Looking for the overall trap right here, because this is what we've been pushing in and out of. Okay? So now we're kind of coming into that key area here. It's, if I drag this across too, you can see it's been happening there all the time. It actually was a little bit lower, like right around here, okay? But for now, they're finding good support here, okay? They start to break above there, guys, we have it here. And then if we start to break below there, it's on the 15-minute, okay? Guys, who's watching gold for me? Take profit here. Definitely right there. And we have right here. Okay, and then we have it take profit here. And take profit here, okay? So on the 15-minute, guys. All right. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, back now. We're good to go. Let's check out gold, guys. Okay, 15 minute. We're going back down to the 5. Okay, I want to check out all my other things we've been charting too. I just had to get this kind of stuff done. Okay, guys, look at gold. So they pushed right back up. All right, you know what I mean? They made a bounce there. Now they're still holding that resistance. Okay, so let's wait and see what's going to happen with gold. Remember, the overall buy opportunity is right up here. Okay, it's still selling off. All right, for real. If we can see this, what we're looking at, what we're actually working with. I won't keep it on there for too long, but I just want to show you. All right, this downtrend that we have forming here. Right here, we had an overextension right here. Okay, so we know that that's an opportunity maybe for gold on the sell. Okay, if it starts to break above here, guys, then it's breaking out of that downtrend. All right. One second here. Perfect. Okay. Guys, I just sent 3 trade ideas to the mentorship group. Guys, this was happening, okay? So you guys, I will update you that, no priorities, and you're going to get that continuously updated, okay? Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here. All right. Okay, so let's now get back to our other stuff here. What's going to happen? What's going on here? Let's check out GBP odd. All right, so selling off here. We have the alert ready. Okay, nice. Then we have US 30 here. Okay, starting to form. Finding good support, guys. Look for some potential buys. Oh yeah, this is gonna GU is gonna go into. That's gonna go into London, guys. That's gonna go into London. Okay, US 30 is still forming. Okay, and then we have Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Okay, look at this, guys. All right, sold off, huge. Hit our take profits. Now it's looking to getting our sell opportunities. Okay, they're just still really slow tonight, guys. 10:30. It's Tokyo session. You know what I mean? We're just chilling out. Okay, so let's see if now they're going to get into a sell here, guys. This is let's drag this across so you can see it. Okay, key area right here. So it's going to sell into this area, guys. See how they broke that uptrend? So when I had this drawn for you, okay, see, I had that steady little nice little 5-minute uptrend. As soon as they broke it, they tried to push back up again, couldn't hold it, and they sold off again. So what we're looking to do now is trade this. If it's going to break, it's going to fall down in this area, retest, and then fall here. Okay. If not, like I said, it's still going to hold the buy. All right, then we have our GJ. Oh my God, look at GJ, guys. It told you it's starting to push. All right. We had this one too. Okay, I'm going to just go back to my look at this, guys. Look, we caught this, man. I told you that was the buy area right there. I can't believe we missed that. We were talking too much. Okay, guys, look at gold. All right. I'm saying look to take your profit. Okay, overall opportunity for buying. This is the buy right here. Okay, I'm not looking for any impulses or whatever, because look, we've had some sell-offs here. I need it to push up here, guys. I need it to get into here. Okay, if it's going to get into there, it's going to then have to, the next retest, guys, it's going to have to get into this consolidation there, the previous area that it was in beforehand. See what I'm saying? Push in here, held it, pushed it up, pushed it right back in, and sold off. If I drag this across, it's going to be even further. See what I'm saying? They pushed a lot of consolidate. They wanted to get it in this area right here. Okay, and if not, guys, and remember, there's a downward parallel channel coming down here. If they don't hold this and they sell off, this is just sell time here. You know what I mean? So we're just going to wait and see and be patient here, okay? Patience pays off, guys. Trust me, on this channel, patience pays off. Keep that in mind. Okay. GBP odd. There we go, guys. So it's starting to touch, starting to sell, okay? Let's see if it's actually going to break down. It's going to come back down, guys. If it's going to break this area, I'm telling you right now. This is the first, that's the area it's going to come to before anything, okay? Sell off, guys. Let's see how this is going to sell. Okay, perfect. It's got to break here, guys. See, okay, look, it's got to break here. See this whole area? It's got to break down here now, okay? It's got to break this area. Okay, see how they're holding, guys? See this? This is why you don't prematurely enter. Just have patience, guys. Okay, looking good. Okay, guys, 10:30. Let's see what's going to happen here. Let's check out US 30. Okay, they're starting to push up with US 30, guys. Okay, getting some consolidation. See how they're getting rejected here? All right, see, guys, look at how many times can they wick this. They're either, they have to break it eventually, or they're just going to keep getting sell off. Look at this. See what I mean? That's key. Guys, thanks for all the likes. You know what I mean? If you guys want to try to get my likes up to 70, that would be huge for me. You know what I mean? And then you know what I mean? I want to ask you a question. You know, where are you guys from? You know what I mean? They're new guys on the chat. You know, let me know. And for if you see anything that you want, like, is there any kind of a pair that you want me to trade, guys? Like, if I see like 30, 40 people want like New Zealand USD, I'll chart New Zealand USD for you, okay? So just let me know. Guys, look at that. It broke through. Nice little candle. Getting some resistance heavily up here just because it was there before, okay? So look for a minor retracement coming back down. Push back up. See, they might come back down and retest the 200. If not, guys, they're just going to continue. Caught the buy from... If, like I said, if you caught it, you understand. You can go back in the channel. That would have been... It's up 10 pips, okay? Roughly 10 pips. Not bad. Puerto Rico, my man. GBP USD, guys, still waiting for this. Okay, we're going to wait. US 35 minute. Selling off. Okay, you guys keep this in mind. Like, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Okay, and they're still even up there. You know what I mean? Eventually, they're just going to get tired and they're going to sell off for real. Okay, this is the break. 35,459. Let's go back to GA. Okay, guys, I'm saving you right now. Okay, trust me when I say a lot of people maybe would have jumped the gun on that. You know what I mean? They saw that initial alert, saw that big bearish candle and sold off, guys. There's nothing that even broke into profits here, okay? I drew this consolidation for a reason. We need to have that break, guys. Okay, we need that break. All right. Dre, my man. Okay, so you're asking about a broker. What where are you from, dude? Dre, where are you from? You from US, Canada, you know what I mean? Where are you from? US 30 is still trying to push up, okay? Okay. Let's check out gold here. Trying to push up, okay, they're getting pushed down now, alright? Oklahoma, okay. Dukas copy, Swiss brokers, not bad. Okay. You know what I mean? If you were not in Canada or US, you could use Fusion brokers. They're pretty good. KOT, Code FX, they're not bad. Okay, guys, so the trade was right here. Like I said, we would have got out roughly right there when I mentioned at that area. Okay, now we're looking for the gold potential buy here. Okay, if it's going to just hold here, right, it's just going to get these wicks going down right here. But if not, this is the key break right there. It's going to continue, okay? So let's wait and see what next moves are for gold. Okay, perfect. So they're breaking above that resistance, and now they're finding some support here. See how they're getting that bottom wick? Okay. See how they're forming that bottom wick? All right. So the break for the buy is 1750.74. Okay. If it's going to start selling off again, guys, it's going to get into a sell because now we're in a consolidation area. Okay. It's happened here. Broke, pushed up, retested, pushing back in here. Okay. So let's wait and see. What we're looking for is that buy. See how there's a lot of buying power coming up here? Boom. Hitting, retesting the initial consolidation box, hitting some sell, and then we're going to work our way up here. Be fantastic if we get all the way up here, guys. That nice little entry. That'd be a nice little payday. Hey, what's going on? Jesus, what's going on, buddy? Thank you for joining, my man. We can get into that bullish momentum there, okay? So US 30, still bullish, but hovering, not doing too much, okay? Still, it's crazy. We're in a key zone, guys. Keep this in mind. Key zone right here. It's bouncing in and out, in and out, in and out. We couldn't even scalp this. I personally wouldn't even want to scalp that myself, okay? So we might leave that one alone for a little bit. We got GU, guys. Look at that. Nice bullish breakout, okay? 5 pips, you know what I mean? This is good, guys. You can catch this for sure. So if it gets above here, guys, and it gets rejected, okay, look for maybe to sell off again, all right? But we're looking for this break here, guys, the overall break. That's what we want. Euro. Oh, Euro tried, guys. See, it tried to break down right on that 200. See what I mean? I told you with Euro, it was a little... I was nervous of doing it, okay? Because it's around, whenever it's around the 200, you know what I mean? You're going to get bounces, you're going to get head fakes priming up for another move, okay? Indra, what's going on, dude? Will gold go down? Right now, we're currently looking for a gold little maybe opportunity for a buy here, okay? 10, 20 pips, they add up eventually. You know what I mean? But Tom, good morning, my man. Thank you so much for joining in here, dude. Okay, getting some rejection, guys. Okay, and if they don't enter in there, don't impulse buy, guys. I'm telling you right now, try not to impulse buy. Look, they've had 2 wicks here before, got a rejection here before with a retest and a sell-off. All right, so keep this in mind. We want this. It needs to break above here and then continue bullish. All right. A long position indicator. You could use like an RSI or a MACD if you'd like to use that. Candlesticks, you know what I mean? Just go on a higher time frame. That would be your best long position indicator. You know what I mean? Indication of price action, which is candlesticks. So that's a better indication of overall where price can go. You know what I mean? Use support and resistance. So I'm not a huge indicator person. Okay, I like my moving average. I like RSI. I love how Ron trades for sure. I can definitely trade like that too. Not as probably efficiently, just because of my different, like the way I do it, but it's definitely something when you have a nice little divergent 50 line going through the middle, you can see it brings a lot of value. Okay. Yeah, US 30, man. I'm not entirely sure about US 30. Okay, so wait, US 30 made a nice little, okay, so keep this in mind. This is the first time that US 30 broke. Let's dissect this candle here for a sec, okay? Guys, look. See how US 30 always was hovering around this red line right here, okay? Rejection, rejection. It finally just made a push and it broke through it, okay? So that means they know they can get there. So price might continue to make it a little higher, get to this wick at 35,475, all right? And maybe test all the way up here, the high, 35,483 before getting a nice little sell-off, okay? There's GBP odd right there, okay? So I sort of hopefully saved you guys from those, you know what I mean, from that potential sell. Okay, so GA is bullish right now, okay? Let's look at someone saying GJ. Okay. Okay, so is GJ bearish? Sellers. They're going to come back down and probably test the 200 for sure if they're going to hold this support right here at 153, 112. They hold here, guys. Listen, if they hold it here, which they look like they're selling it off, okay, I look to take some profits, guys. They're going to come back down and test it right at the 200. Okay, guys, listen to me. If you're in this trade, okay, and they break below this 200, just take your profits, okay? You take your profit. Like, it's not a crazy amount, but at least you're still walking away with 7 pips. We made it all the way up to 11, okay? But if it holds here, guys, if it holds here, then you can walk your way up, all right? Okay, my man. So you just signed on the channel, dude. I like you already. People ask, I need feedback, okay? So just keep this in mind. My man, you just signed on. Indra, okay? I'm talking to you, okay? Keep this in mind. You see these price labels right here, okay? This is my areas for stop loss, my areas for entry, okay? This is it right here. So right here, you see that green? That's an entry position. The entry point is 1750.74, okay? You see that? My stop loss is 1749.87. Okay, guys, and it's getting rejected right now, okay? So let's see, it made a lower, price made lower than this previous wick, so let's see if we're going to, if this is going to break this support here again, guys, this might be another opportunity for a sell, okay? Just being honest with you, we'll wait and see here. But that, it's a lot of rejection at 1750 area. Okay, so back, but Indra, look, same with the sell. Do you see how 1749 is my bottom of my stop loss? Okay, look, right here, buddy. See? This is where we're at. If it sells below here, your entry point is 1749.87. Stop loss is 1750.74, okay? Right here, if it's an entry, you have 1750.74 when the stop loss is 1749.87. See what I'm saying, my man? So hopefully that makes sense to you, and hopefully you can understand like that, because I don't want to have too much like text on my chart and stuff like that. Just use the price labels, okay? EJ? Euro. GA is getting rejected right now, a little bit consolidation. Okay. EJ. Let's check out EJ. Okay, so oh my man, Trenton. Okay, you caught this neckline break. You caught a double bottom. Okay, so I mean they pushed it. I'll tell you right now, push, boom, rejection, boom, pushed up, made a retest. See what I mean? Held, next candle open, then you had that bullish play right there. Okay, so if you're still in this, my man, for real, that was a perfect entry if you're in a buy. Okay, like dude, congratulations, great snipe. Okay, but what we're looking for now is this area right here. Okay, if it's gonna hold, okay, you know what I mean? It's gonna hold. It's gonna look for something like this. Okay, I'm looking for maybe a long position up here. Okay, and then it's got to break through this 200. All right, then if it sells off, so I mean it could come back down to there. Okay, so watch EJ right now. Okay, let's see how this one's gonna go. All right, US 30 still not having much push. So I'm saying a little bit, not too much. Guys, one we haven't looked at recently is NASDAQ. Garbage trading right now in NASDAQ. Okay, we might get a little bit of movement later on, okay? Let's go back down and go through these again, guys. We got a lot of trades off in here, okay? Now, that's just on the 5 minute. Let me look at this on the hourly. It's in a range right now, I see. Okay, I don't like this. Oh, they found a bottom. Yeah, if you got to buy, oh, dude, hopefully, Trent, if you got to buy from down here, bro, that's huge, man. That'd be a nice little buy down there, you know what I mean? You caught that, caught some pips, maybe 9, 11 pips, not bad. Okay, but we'll leave that EJ right now, okay? Remember, these guys, some of these pairs are not always the best. They're not always the best for scalping either. That's why the indices and stuff like that, US 30, you know what I mean, gold and different stuff, like, we can do that no problem. Like, you can tell. Like, we've been doing that for since day one on the channel, okay? Like, we know how to trade that for sure. But the pairs, guys, sometimes they're not always the best, right? You know what I mean? For scalping, you might get 5, 10 pips max before having a nice little reversal here, okay? Like, look, guys, if you're looking for a GJ trade right now, okay, if it's gonna break resistance right here, look, I'm telling you right now, I'll tell you, if GJ breaks resistance down here, look for this sell off right there. If it breaks down there, it's gonna come back down there. Okay, maybe roughly around this area, all right, which would be 5 pip play. Okay, so you can scalp in between there, right? If not, look for GJ to break to the upside. All right. Guys, we're getting a lot of signups. Sorry. Who? HOO, my man, thank you so much for subscribing. Swati, thank you so much for subscribing. Guys, huge. We're growing this channel fast, guys. We're already up 200 subscribers from last night. We got 1.2 and then... Sorry, 20, my bad. 200 from the overall... Yeah, we hit 1K. Up 120. Okay, there's GA right now. Still consolidating, guys. So we're waiting for GA, okay? Patiently, guys. We'll get a nice move, okay? Nice little move. Euro JPY, same thing. Just waiting, guys. And you're probably wondering, where can this go? Okay, like for real, that's would be TP1 for me. I'd probably look at getting it up here. Okay, that'd be TP2, maybe not TP2. That'd be TP. That'd be probably my last take profit. And then definitely somewhere, I would say right around, yeah, right. That was the retest candle right here, guys. See that break in the retest? That would be holding right there. Okay, guys, I can do this all night for you, for real. We can chart all night if you want. It doesn't bother me. UJ, yeah, we traded UJ last night. I don't mind doing UJ again. Let me just do this for 1 second here, dude. GBP USD. Okay, guys, it's forming, it's priming right now for this break, okay? If it breaks above here, guys, it's got to hold, okay? It's got to hold, all right? Okay, so guys, remember, if it breaks above here, it happened before it got wicked down, so keep that in mind. It needs to break with this, you see these arrows right here, okay? Watch, it needs to break. I'm going to just slide it over. Break above. Okay, have a little retest there for continuation. I'm not saying it's going to get all the way up there, guys. I'm saying that's just over exaggeration, maybe a little bit on my behalf. But look, it can get up to this area right in here. Okay, nice good amount area, nice good area for pips. Okay, we can eat pips tonight on GU if it starts to break out. See what I mean? Boom. Little retest there for continuation. Okay, I'll just clean this one up too. Eddie, thank you so much, bro. The consistency. Bro, we're going to go all day, all night one day. Don't worry. We're going to grow old together just collecting pips on YouTube, my man. Yeah, I took 2 trades, guys. I sent them to the FX group. You can check it out, the free FX one. I took 2 gold cells, guys. 2 gold cells. 2 5 lots, okay? Okay, I'm going to go back to EJ because I'm going to send that to my group for a second. But look, oh, look, guys, look at US 30. Shit. Look at this. See how they finally broke through it? Remember how I told you that was the key wick right there? Now there's a retest, okay? See? Nice little formation of an uptrend here from this candle. See what I mean? Held here, opened up. Okay, now they're going to get a retest. Let's see if they're going to get a continuation, okay, to touch our next take profit. Gold. Okay, yeah, we'll watch gold. Guys, there we go. Look at this, okay? So there you go. That's that entry right there on gold. Nice. Okay, so we got to get an overall push, guys. Remember, because it can come to here too and sell right off, okay? Like for real. Gold can come right to here and sell right off, guys. It's happened 1, 2 times, okay? This might be, we'll see what's going to happen here, okay? For real, this is a key area right here. They're breaking above support. If they start to sell it off, they need to hold support here, all right? Okay, so guys, keep in mind for gold, just watch it for me, okay? Blast me in the chat box if you see anything else. I'm just going to do the 0 JPY one, finish it for a second, okay? Okay, guys. That's 0 JPY on the 5-minute. Okay. Let's wait and see what's going to happen here, guys. The only one below it is this candle. Okay, and then we have roughly a bigger break up here, okay? Check out gold for 1 second here. 15 minutes starting to push, guys. Let's see. Okay, so it's still getting that. indecisions. Getting a little bit of formation here, but we'll wait and see. Guys, like I said, this is the key. If it breaks down here between, just exit. If it doesn't hold here, guys, listen. If gold does not hold above this support like it's doing, this is holding support, it's good. But if it doesn't start to break through here now, it's might get rejected again and retest this support. So guys, we're in a key area here. Small lot sizes, okay? Small lot sizes. Understand this, because it can come up here, guys, and sell right off. If that's the case, we'll look to take a sell rate roughly at 1749.87. All right. Oh, yeah, dude. Okay, that's the next thing, guys. Like, yeah, it's very true. For real. Weedy, bro, you're spitting real talk. He understands the Forex game, okay? It's hard to scalp when you have like I said, your spreads and commissions, guys. So it's important to see where you're at in terms of the world and try to find a good Forex broker, okay? Fusion markets, if you're outside the US and Canada, like all day, guys, I recommend Fusion brokers for real. Okay, like they're a good broker, 100%. All right. Guys, so far we've sent out 4 trade ideas to our mentorship group, which will be updated all the way until next morning, okay? Let's see GA. Okay, GA is still having its little, it's still on a nice uptrend, guys, for real. Like, just keep this in mind, it's still on an uptrend, all right? It's been on a steady uptrend, okay? But it's going to have that maybe minor pullback. Look at the 200, it's starting to curl here, okay? It's looking beautiful, all right? So this might be a little bit of longer term play, but it could be a nice little play, all right? Having breakfast and watching my man Dave Pippin pips day after day. Hey, dude, you're joining, man. I know you made some bank the one day, so keep eating that breakfast, dude. Eat those pips. Okay, so check out gold here. Okay, so gold kind of made a nice little push, guys. Okay, it's going to be key here. If it breaks here, guys, it's a neckline. All right, overall. Okay, watch. Sell off. Neckline area. Ooh, guys, heavy rejection there. Look at that. Boom. And it's got to break to the upside for the neckline, guys. They know, guys. Listen, if you're understanding how gold works, they know that this is an area that if they break it, this can see some nice movement here. Okay. If not, guys, they're just going to sell it off here. All right. Let's wait and see. So anyone likes, guys. Mad love. Thank you so much. Okay, so keep this in mind, guys. It's heavy area, heavy rejection area. It's happened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, so nice little buy was up here, found some support, starting to get a nice little momentum. Now we're looking at getting that sell off here. So we'll just wait and see how this trade's going to play out. All right. Okay, that didn't even really give us 10 pips, guys. 4, 5 pips. Okay, let's see if they're going to hold some support here, guys. Remember, I did say that this area is heavy resistance, okay, and this area is nice support. Okay, so we'll just wait and see how this plays out. You see this key area right here, guys? Very key. They broke through it and they held, but this is the retest. All right, breakthrough, retest. We'll see if it's going to hold here or sell off. All right, if it's going to be a sell, we'll judge it accordingly, and I'll show you exactly what I'll do. Remember how I told you guys scalping is in ranges? Okay, if you're just sitting back watching, guys, just watch. Okay, because tonight, like I said, might just be one of these sessions where it's boom, 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 boom. It happens all the time, guys, in Asian session, Tokyo session, okay? Every time we've come up here, we've gotten rejected, all right? Okay, heavy rejection, guys. That ate us, okay? Heavy rejection there, all right? Bad trade. I'll tell you right now, that was a bad trade, okay? If it starts to break down here, guys, I can spot something else happening too, okay? Look. You can see it forming here. Top, neckline, top, bearish engulfing candlestick, signifying. Starts to get down here, guys. This thing can sink too, okay? Let's just wait and see. Did not expect that candle to ignore, guys. That's the 11 o'clock candle here. As you can see, we're approaching 11 o'clock, okay? So that would be your entry. Let's see if it's going to happen here. The buyers are going to come back in. There's no, wait, just be patient, guys. It's got to get down into this area right here. Down into here. Most likely it's going to get down here because of this whole area right here. I'll drag that over so you can see. Key support, okay? No entry in the sell. Just be patient with this, guys. We're in a consolidation box right now, okay? Just trust me when I'm telling you this. In a consolidation box. Okay, let's check out US 30 now. US 30, okay, starting to work its way up. There we go, guys. Take profit for US 30 is 35,483, okay? Okay, guys, I'm going to check these things over really quickly, and I'm going to run to the washroom, okay? There's GBP USD getting rejected. See, guys, I'm telling you, this trap and gap stuff, it's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of frustration, too. Trust me when I say this. There's GU overall, okay? Okay, so there's GU, there's GJ, let's see. Okay, still holding here. New Zealand, okay, so NZD. GJ, it's going to sell off right to here, guys. If it sells, it starts to break here, okay? You know what I mean? I'm looking for sells like this. Okay, maybe just scalp back down, get back into this area. We'll see here. Okay, that's a lot of momentum. What I'm using is the 200 as the entry for the break, okay? Alright, so look, guys. It starts to break through here. Retest, see, because they had some there right there. Retest the 200. It's going to retest the 200, okay? And if it does, it's going to sink back down. Alright? Okay, so that's GJ. Let's check out Euro for us. Euro is still the overall bigger move, guys. Okay, so see Euro. We had Euro on the 15 minute. So we're looking, we have higher time frame trade here, okay? Higher time frame trade. Scroll down to the bottom. EJ, still waiting for our breakout or breakdown, okay? Okay, still consolidating. There we go, guys. Look at GBP odd. Okay, selling off, huge bearish momentum. They've held the support there first beforehand, so we'll wait and see. Ronald, thank you so much, dude. For real. I'm glad you've been watching for a week straight. Keep joining us, man, for sure. You know, and if you join the VIP, or I hate calling it VIP because we're all VIPs here. We're all very important people. You know what I mean? But like, it's just mentorship where we can work one-on-one with you. You know what I mean? I do a lot of chart updating and more private scalp sessions that we're going to be doing. You know, webinars. It's going to have some benefit for you. You know what I mean? So it's not bad. Witty, I saw this, bro. You have a 34 to 39 spread on gold, man. Okay, bro. Don't worry. If you're still in the call, let me know what your cheapest spread is, dude. I'm gonna do this strictly for you because when I see someone getting 34 to 39 spread on gold, I just hate the brokers. So let's try to make you some pips, my man. Okay. US 30 here. Uh-oh. Oh, guys, look at this. There's US. Look at that. Held some support. Look, guys, it did exactly what I said it would do. Okay, and it doesn't happen like that very often. Okay, it had a break, retest, confirmation, and got right there. Look at US 30, guys. This is the key area though for US 30. Okay, it's either gonna break or dump right here. Oh my God, look at that gap up, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at this. Whoo. Oh my goodness, look at this. Guys, look at US 30. Oh my God, what is going on here, guys? Look at 11 o'clock at night. We collecting US 30 pips. We eating here. I told you I had a US 30 buy. Look at this 30. Oh my goodness, this thing's running, guys. Woo. Guys, this is no joke. Look at this. From entry, 23 pips, guys. Look at that. Octa. Oh man. Where are you from? Weedy, where are you from, dude? GA. Okay, good. Just looking at that. Okay, it's priming, guys. They want to break it, okay? So, guys, remember, look, the first, if it breaks here, guys, what we're looking for is to get down to here. Roughly 10 pips, okay? This, if you're using it, take some profits and stuff like that. And then if it breaks down some more, you know what I mean? We're good. We're looking for 10 pips, roughly. Weedy, look at fusion markets. Fusion markets, okay? For real. I think they might be able to accept you, bro, because you're not in the U.S. and Canada. The gold spread is like 13. You know what I mean? It's nothing. And for a standard, it's like $4.50 per commission. They're out of Australia, okay? So maybe I'm really hoping I can help you out, dude. So maybe make sure to go check them out and see what you think about them, okay? Yeah, fusion markets. I just put it and I just typed it in there for you, okay? Okay, guys, can you guys give me like 2 minutes? I got to go to the washroom for a second here. You know what I mean? Gold is, oh my goodness, look at gold, guys. Just a crap sesh right now on gold. Okay, we caught nice little two moves here on gold. Okay, they both reversed. All right, but now we're just waiting for the next one. The US 30 was the nicest buy here, okay? Look at US 30, guys. Wow. We breaking if we do, and this is going to be crazy, guys. This is actually going to be crazy. Here, look at this. Okay, guys, I'm going to go to the washroom for 2 seconds. All right? And I'll be right back. I'm going to do one thing for you. Just because I love this channel. I love streaming for you guys. It gets me going, man. Okay, look. If it keeps pushing through here, guys, I'm looking for that, maybe that touch, 35,500. 500 to the break downwards, okay? If not, this is just key area right here, okay? Key area is right here. If this gets rejected here, just remember it's key, okay? And if it starts to do that, you can maybe take a sell here, down here, okay? But let's just wait till it gets up here, guys. It's still very bullish, okay? Just keep that in mind. No problem, my man. Hopefully it works out for you, okay? Guys, I'm going to run to the washroom. Give me 2 seconds here, and we'll go from that. Guys, can you... If I turn this on... Can you guys hear that music? Let me know if you can hear that music before I leave, okay? Can you guys hear any music or no? No? Okay. I got music going on my earphones. I'll fix that for you guys, okay? Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back, alright, guys? Can you guys hear that music now? What about now? I turn it up a little bit. Let me see. Can you hear it? Can you hear that music? Okay, guys. I got little hip-hop beats for you guys going, nothing chill, so we're going to do it here, alright? I'll be right back for you guys. I'm going to leave you with these beats, okay? This is how we do, guys. Let me turn this up a little bit more here. There we go. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. turn down this music now. Okay. Alright, guys. Daniel, I got you, my man. Okay, guys, so look, it came up to this area right here and it sold off. Okay, let's get back to business here. Okay, so was a key area, got rejected. Let's see if it's going to hold here, guys. The next big area that it's going to go right here. Okay, see, look, it's either going to make a break or if it's going to make a dump there. Okay, look at gold, guys. There we go. Rejected. Okay. You hear like an echo? Yeah, no worries. Give me 1 second here. Yeah, I know the cam's off. There we go. Perfect, perfect. Okay, guys, yeah, gold is falling into a sell, okay? Let's see what's going to happen here. Be patient with this, guys. See how they pushed back up? Okay, so there's no confirmed entry there. Just be patient with this, guys. It's in that consolidation phase, I'm telling you, okay? What they're forming is this. No, just wait for the entry, my man. Just wait. Just wait, okay? We want to get it below here, confirmed. Okay, so you need to have it push down, close here, and then, like I said, I might have that retest, and then it needs to stay below here, like it needs to stay in this area. Okay, if not, they might push it back up in that consolidation. Okay, so let's wait and see here. Go to US 30. Okay, see, it's coming right to this area, guys. You might look for a bounce. All right, bounce here, maybe a continuation up here. Okay, or might just break below and sell. Let's go through our stuff, guys. There's GU again, rejected. Okay, guys, I'm saving you a lot of time and effort here, I promise you. Okay, see the consolidation chopping gap. If guys, if it starts to break here, you can scalp GU. If it sells here, it's coming down to this area right here. Okay, so if you take a GU sell, depending on your spread, you know what I mean, you can look to get it roughly right down in this area right here. Okay, so GU is going to fall right there. Okay, that'll be the next looking move because it's been doing that very similar. If not, it might sell off and actually get down in here. We'll wait and see. Okay. GJ. Okay, pushed up still, guys, holding. No sell entry confirmed. Okay, Euro. Still dancing around, okay? Let's go back. Let's check out NASDAQ. Sorry, we had someone mention NASDAQ. Yeah, well, there you go, guys. That was the opportunity right there. But now it looks like it's forming. it's ranging right now, guys. Okay, for real. So this is like not even worth really trading for. I'm going to be honest with you, because what I'm seeing here is just an overall range. Okay, scalping in and out, and it's really, really choppy. Okay, really choppy. Okay, so I might clean this up a bit. I think we just charted NAS in the 5 minute anyways, so if I would add higher time frame, I would have probably noticed this. Okay, we'll just drag it, see if it's going to happen. Okay, I think Daniel is in this buy here. Okay, depending on how we got in. Pretty sure this was for Dan. Okay, and if it breaks through here, guys, our next take profit would roughly be up here, which is breaking through the 200, okay, if it's bullish. Okay, we'll wait and see. Guys, they're all the way out here. That's the stop loss. It's just right set. I mean, I'm dragging it below her. Okay, so now we're going to fall down. Euro JPY. There we go, guys. Oh, we're starting to break out a little bit on EJ. Okay, breaking some retest here. See how we have that resistance? It's just because it's at the 200. If it starts to break through here, guys, it's going to be nice and juicy here. Okay. Okay. Look at gold, guys. Okay, remember, coming back down to here, all right? 1748 area. Okay. Guys, do you see how there's a lot of wicks? Okay, that's what I'm saying. Quick flip. I had a feeling I started to see all this wicks here, guys. All right, so just let's be patient. Gold moved fast, guys. Took us right out. We were entry 5 pips. Okay, still very bullish, guys. You can see overall it's a lot of bulls here. Okay, a lot of bullish. Okay, I'm gonna leave maybe gold alone for a little bit. I'm gonna wait till it breaks out of the trap. Okay, that's what we're gonna. That's pretty much our next move. All right, we're just gonna wait and see here. Okay. Okay, just moving over, trying to do it a little bit easier so you guys can see. Sahil, thank you so much for subscribing, my man. Appreciate that. Freysum11, thank you so much for subscribing, bro. Mad respect. Thank you so much. Okay, let's check out that US 30 trade. Go see what I'm saying to you guys. I told you this area is going to find some bounce here. Okay. See what I'm saying? So let's see the Euro JPY. Okay, push back down. Okay, so like I said, still rejected at that area. So let's just wait and see here. You know what I might do, guys? I'm going to edit this a little bit. Okay, 3 pips. Gonna make my consolidation box just a little bit bigger, okay? I'm saying I'm just gonna widen it a little bit. So now you can maybe get a little better visual. Okay, so it's holding bullish now, okay? So that's EJ on the 5 minute, all right? GA, guys, I'm saving you a lot of time, hassle. Trust me when I say that, okay? Look, still nothing breakout, just waiting. Still making a nice little leg up. You can start to keep adding to this chart now as you start to see things form. Okay, we're starting to see a nice little uptrend forming here, okay? Let's see if that's going to consolidate right to the uptrend so we get a nice little breakout, okay? I gotta edit this too, sorry. Okay. Okay, guys, so I changed it. The support is, or the sell entry is 129.593 and the stop loss 129.624, okay? Those are the breakouts. Okay, now we're going to go to, we saw GA already. US 30. Okay, still finding that overall support. Okay, so not much we can do right now. If it starts to break here, guys, like I said, it'll be good. It might take a little bit of time, but it could prime, okay? It broke heavy resistance. You see what I'm saying? How many times I pushed it through here too? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I told you they would fill that window. Okay, another window over here. So I'm saying, see that big window? Show you. See? They filled it right there with that wick. Now they might sell it off and continue, or they're going to hold it down. Okay, so we just got to wait and see here. I've been taking these trades, like I take some of them and stuff like that. I'm not in any right now. Okay, I'm just charting for some of the guys. I took the two gold ones. I posted them in the FX group and stuff like that. I'm looking for a US 30 sell right now. Okay, that's what I'm honestly looking for. But we'll wait and see if it starts to break here. Okay, that's a good question. Okay, so it's really finding some support, guys, at that 35,483. Okay. There's GU, okay? It didn't get below there. It found some support, okay? So that's nice. Let's see what GU could be forming here. Nice little uptrend, okay? We'll see if it's going to hold here. Okay, so finding some support. Yeah, dude, you can check the Sniper FX group too if you want. Like I said, it's right up pin message. I scalp gold in the sell for a couple 5 lots. You know what I mean? I'm waiting for this US 30 and to see if gold's going to continue to drop. Okay, so found some support, guys. Look at that. So gold is just, it's really, oh, sorry. Let me explain where gold is. I told you it's in that overall consolidation. We're making the next move, okay? So we're gonna, we might leave gold alone tonight. It's just ranging, okay? Not too much. Like I said, you can scalp it. All right, just trying to zoom out a little bit for you so you can see. Okay, like I said, hitting the initial sell here, give you like 23 pips. Okay, we didn't catch the buy, catching the initial sell right down here. All right, 10 pips, you know. So gold is kind of ranging, yeah, like I said, 50-50, right? So like for example, look, if we would have taken this trade, like I had that set up, okay, it goes up 6 pips, and 11 o'clock news hammers it back down. So because this is like a very powerful bearish engulfing candlestick, okay, you would think that like this candle right here, guys, this candle right there, that big red one, that's a bearish engulfing candlestick, okay, that's a huge trend reversal. So you think that that would have some weight on it, okay, but like I said, the buyers are still coming in, so it's a little bit iffy of what's going to happen here. Okay, we're also approaching the 200 moving average. Okay, you know what I mean, it's at 1747, we're at 1750, so it's around $3 away, right? So we'll just wait and see what happens here. If it starts to break through here, guys, they could come up and touch a consolidation, same thing, right, where we have our buy. We're going to get it one way or the other, honestly. Trust me when I say this zone right up here that you see, this one right here, okay, that one's just holding the top of these wicks and the bottom of this previous consolidation. Okay, so we're going to wait and see, guys, if it's going to just like start to push up, or if it's actually going to hold this selling pressure right here and then start to walk its way back down. Okay, if you wanted to do anything, you could definitely like widen the box if you were doing this on your own. If like I had this charted for a little bit, okay, but you could also just range in this area right here. So I'm saying the overall range box. All right, so you can see sell off, boom, boom, boom. It's just kind of consolidating in, waiting for the next move. Okay, so but we were actually trying to scalp it. All right, trying to get the breakouts. Not much breakout happened. Okay, so there's their US 30. Okay, finding some support here, guys, and pushing up. All right, so if you're in the sell, okay, you know what I mean, you would maybe look to take some profits right now, because this has a lot of opportunity to come up here, okay, to hold support here, maybe along for a little bit, bounce up, right, and then maybe sell off a little bit more, right? But wait and see. The US 30 has been extremely bullish for quite some time, you know, as of late. Broke, you know, all-time highs, crazy. We've been trading this for a while, okay? So you know what I mean? It's got a lot of push, right? Opportunity for it. Okay, so let's go down to Euro JPY for a sec, okay? Forming that potential, I changed the charting opportunities, okay? Had a potential breakout, okay? Yeah, Daniel. He scalps, man. He's in it. He's messaged me personally. Guy, shout out to Dan. He gave me a nice little tip last night on UJ. Had a nice little breakout. So shout out to him, man. Let's check with that GA. We're still potentially following that uptrend, guys. See what I'm saying? Nice little following. All right. Little slower session tonight, guys. Okay. We had a nice little US 30 breakout, but as you can tell, now we're falling. Let's see GU. Okay, still following that uptrend too. Still holding there, guys. It's looking pretty good so far. Okay. And guys, when we look to enter in, trust me when I say this, what we'll do, we're not going to hold these massive stop losses, okay? Like what you, sorry about that. What you can do is move your stop loss to roughly right here, 1.38, and then we can trade accordingly, okay? So it's not guaranteed where you always have to have it a certain way or anything like that, okay? Like we'll be able to move our stop loss rate off roughly here, all right? We're just looking for the overall movement. Okay, got some good news. Okay, US 30, guys. So watch, guys. I need someone to watch US 30, okay? If it's going to continue to push, right? Wait and see. Okay, if it's going to continue to like go bullish, we'll enter in more of an opportunity then. But guys, the reason why I'm saying this here is, listen, that was the initial sell. Wait for a second. Wait for this thing to come back. See, wait, boom, test. Wait for it to come up here. We'll make our decision then. Okay, this, we got in here. We were like iffy on it. We didn't really. We caught the miss off. The selling was right there. So we're kind of still right where we started from when we kind of charted this. I had this overall chart on there for a little bit prior, but when I flipped to it, we were kind of we missed the initial sell entry. Okay, so wait for this to come up here, guys. Again, okay, give it another retest. If it's gonna hold here, if they're gonna hold the 35,492, you know what I mean? If they're going to hold it, they might sell it off again from here, okay? If not, they might break through, guys. And then, like I said, you can look for a buy opportunity, which is something like this. But again, you're buying at the high, right? So it's like, do I really want to risk that or chase FOMO? You know what I mean? Because eventually they're going to sell it off, okay? Just keep that in mind. Okay. There's UJ, US 30, okay? Still pushing up. GU's getting rejected now, but still holding good on that uptrend, all right? GJ's still forming, just waiting, guys. Okay, waiting. No sells happened at all. Okay, it's still just in that profit area from where we were taking it before. All right, so but if it's still going to hold, guys, like I said, we'll look for more opportunity at that time. But with this, guys, what I'm looking for, yep. I'm gonna hold here, guys. Maybe come in here again. Some retests, some consolidation area before making its next move up. Okay, wait and see. Okay, then we're gonna go through Euro now. Euro's got some nice push. Okay, so Euro's forming an uptrend, guys, so this is nice too, if you can see this. Okay, so you see there's a nice little uptrend forming on EU, similar to GU and stuff like that, guys. So we'll wait and see if it's going to happen, if it's going to go continuously, if it's going to just actually get a nice little sell-off here. Remember, this is on a higher time frame. We did this one on the 15-minute, guys, okay? There's gold. Yeah, ranging right now, guys. Okay, so you see how it broke there now. Can erase this parallel channel here. So as you can see, guys, we're scalping within, oh, sorry. We're scalping within this range right here. Okay, showed you this before. Just wanted to show the new guys again, okay? So we're looking to get the breaks downs. So I said, guys, always use smaller lot sizes. You know what I mean? Don't over leverage during these times. It's the Asian session, you know what I mean? You're not going to get too many crazy pips. The initial sell-off was really good. Caught a nice little sell-off there too. But as you can see, they all kind of bounced, all right? Okay, guys, there we go. Looking for this. Let's see if they're going to hold here. Okay, so there's no confirmation buy up there. Let's see. how that would look, guys, is pretty much like this. Okay, we missed the initial huge bearish candle, but like I said, it's holding at the 200, so wait and see. Good for you, buddy. You caught the sell-off, man. This is cool. You guys can catch these candles, guys, like for real. That's the 2-pip candle, you know what I mean? You can catch that. You can do 5.0s. You know what I mean? Catch that, no problem. Okay, Euro JPY still in that consolidation area. I'm gonna check my thing. Give me 1 second here, guys. Give me 1 sec, guys. Okay, so I just sent that update to the group, okay? Okay, there's GA, guys. Look at this. Starting to break that overall trend. We'll see if it's going to go into some support here. Or hold support or break hold support or break support. Sorry. Okay, so starting to form a sell here, guys. Let's see. It's got a breakdown. No confirm, guys. Pushing it back up. See, they're not ready to break anything yet. They're waiting patiently. Okay. Let's go through the mix again, guys. Look at US 30, guys. There you go. Like I said, no, that sell. Wait until we get here, guys. See if it's going to break or if it's going to retest here. Okay, remember, if you're still signing the channel, like I said, we caught the US 30 up, like it was selling right here, then we threw it over there. Okay, so now, guys, it found some support, looking for some buying opportunity up here, or just we'll see how it's going to go. Okay, like this is what it would look like now, because we initially had the buy. All right, we're hoping this is going to be the sell, but now what I'm looking for, guys, is it's going to sell off eventually. Okay, might get to 35,500 before it sells. Okay, well, then we'll wait and see here. Okay, if that's the case, we'll start following it up a little bit. All right, if not, if it's going to get rejected, that's the actual entry. Okay, GU still holding that steady uptrend, guys. You see, looking good. GJ found that support. Okay, so there's no entry there, guys. No entry. Okay, it's got to get selling below here, which in case, remember, come down into this area right around in here, right in here. confirm no sell. See, held support, push right back up. Let's wait and see, guys. Now they're forming maybe an overall area of consolidation. Okay. And we're looking for maybe some buys here. Okay. We found some new support right roughly here. Keep this in mind. Okay. That'll be used as my stop loss. Another entry. I'd use this probably as an entry, and the top is my stop loss. Okay. Keep that just for me personally. All right. Okay, cool. So we're set up for now, GJ, for the next move. All right. Euro still forming that nice little uptrend. Okay. Sorry, bro. I can't see those things. I need glass, I swear. There's news on GBP at 2. Okay. Okay, you want to do New Zealand JPY on New Zealand? Okay. Why not? We'll add another one to the mix. Okay, Euro JPY is potentially selling off. GA is holding. Okay. Okay, I already have it on there. Okay. Higher time frame. See that? A lot of potential, guys. So every pair is right around the 200. Everything's around the 200 right now. Okay, so guys, like for real, if I'm looking for anything right now on the 15-minute for this, you can see there's a nice, it's overall, that's what it looks like, okay? Buying and selling in between that area space of 14 pips. This is the daily. Okay, so it sells off, guys. This thing can come all the way down here. Okay, so you see how it's finding some 3 bottom wicks right here? And we're in some overall support. Actually, you know what, guys, we can even use this. Like, maybe we'll just do a hourlies, guys. Okay, so you see how over this overall, guys, it's crazy. There's so many wicks here, right? A lot of times you can use wicks or you can use bodies when you're doing this. So if you want to use bodies, guys, this is what it looked like. All right, that's the neck break. That's the W. Okay, you see what I'm saying? What we're looking for is potentially this thing to sell off. Okay, come up to here, make it low. Okay, try to push up to here, push, retest, and then continue. Okay, the continuation. We'll wait and see if that's going to happen. All right, so we're looking for it to get above here, guys, and it's going to go upwards. Okay, if it gets rejected here, guys, this is the entry points we're looking at. This goes downwards here. Okay, right around here. This price mark. New Zealand. Okay, that's a key area, trust me. Okay, just seeing where we're at right now. Currency index, what do you mean? Let me see. Do you ever look at the currency indexes themselves, bro? I was wondering, what do you mean, like, give me an example, like the DXY? I'll come back to this, guys. I just want to check some of these other trades for a second here. Yeah, I do. Yeah, for sure, man. 100%. Like, for gold, if I'm trading it, okay, guys, this is key right here. Look at this. That's why I wanted to come see this. Look at US 30, guys. Double top. We're getting some moves now, guys. Double top, okay. Let's see if it's going to fall here. As I said, wait here, guys. Wait. GJ, too. Everything's going off, guys. Look at this, guys. Nice, 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 nice. Selling off. Okay. Coming to this area, guys. Key area right here. Remember, look at all this resistance and then break. So keep this in mind, okay? That's higher time frame. You guys can deal with it on my chart. That's fine. It's going to save you right here because see they have that a lot of bulls there. Okay. Let's see if we're going to get that nice clean breakdown. Sorry. There's GU2. Okay. Okay, guys, now wait. Remember this. There you go. See if we get a nice little push. Remember, guys, they're going to get some hold up here, okay? just because of this key area, the wicks before. See, you're gonna get some hold up, but that's a nice wick. They made it, but above this previous wick. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay. This could be the start of the breakout, guys. Let's wait and see here. They're going to push it back down. They're going to respect that trend. So don't worry about this. Just be second here. GJ finding some support. Okay. It's got to break all the way down here, guys. All right. All started with this bearish engulfing candlestick. Okay. Wait for the retest. Push down. All right. Retesting that 200. Okay. Testing the entry. Maybe sell off right after that. Okay. Let's check out Euro for a sec too. There's Euro, guys, making a nice little move, trying to. I see a head and shoulder pattern on Euro USD, guys. Inverse, shoulder on the 5 minute at least. Okay. Then we have our shoulder right here. Alright, so that's why we're getting that reversal here. Okay. Let's wait and see here. Remember, we just wanted the 15 minute, guys, so this one was actually done on the 15, so that's why maybe it looks a little bit different. Okay, so we'll keep those 15 minute candles there. Check out gold. Gold went bullish, guys, like hard, okay? Look at gold, there you go, push down. Guys, see what I mean? We're leaving gold alone for right now. It's disgusting, it's dirty. Some nights you get crazy gold, some nights you get nothing. Yeah, NASDAQ's probably playing games too, for sure. Can I join membership from South Africa? Yeah, absolutely, Brian, for sure. Just go to the website, Trading Academy, Stock Sniper Trading, okay? Then just click join now and you're good to go, man. For sure, absolutely you can. Okay, like I said, leaving gold alone. It's a piece of definitely not good right now. NASDAQ is still making its way up, guys. Like, it's made a nice leg up here, okay? Daniel, this one's for you, buddy. Okay, so we're still getting some hold up. Guys, at least we're making some higher highs and some higher lows on NASDAQ. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's a lot of positivity. Okay, Bitcoin playing no games. I'll look at Bitcoin in a second, guys. Okay, so Euro JPY sold off. Look at that, guys. So we hit our first take profit, but then it shot right back up. We weren't even watching it. That's why it's so hard for me to kind of do this. Okay, so if you're in that, if you did catch it, I'm not sure if many people did. Okay, just leave it because they might actually be making a leg up now. Now we know, guys, with this one, okay, that this might actually have a nice little uptrend forming here too. Okay, so keep this in mind. All right, so this sell could have probably waited. Okay, we'll wait and see here. But that's what that's looking like now. Okay, I'm seeing more of the overall picture now. We'll leave the sell opportunity there. Okay, but that's more of an opportunity. Okay, GU getting the retest. Okay, okay, so look for it to come back down. I told you it's going to come back down and test the ascending angle, or it's going to come down and test the retest of the initial entry. Okay, so just be patient with it. Okay, GA. Still holding some support for the GBP odd. All right. Broke out, but still in that consolidation area. Not too much happening just yet. Okay, so like I said, this one might not move too much tonight. Okay. Euro JPY pushed back up. Okay, so we made a 3 pip drop and then it pushed back up. Okay, so keep that in mind. US 30, guys. So US 30 made that double top, and now it's potentially selling off here. It's finding some support, looking pretty good. Okay. On USD. Bitcoin is dumping. Okay. Okay, odd USD. Quickly chart 5-minute. Holy shit, guys, look at that. Massive, massive. Okay, but I see an overall trend here too. Okay. Okay, so I sit on the 15. I like the better on the 5 actually. We know there's an overall uptrend, guys, okay, with the 5 minutes looking nice. Sold right off, look at that. Initial resistance, guys, came back up here. This previous candle was rejected, okay. That wick right there. Try to push up, push back down, okay. Sold right off, okay. So we're forming kind of like an uptrend coming to like I said, a potential breakout area, okay. So for odd USD, all right. Let's check out US 30 for a second here. There we go, guys. There's that sell-off. That's what we're looking for. Okay, guys, if you're in the Sniper FX group, you can check this out. Okay, just checking. Vibing tonight, guys. Okay, so it's looking good. Remember, there's still that uptrend, guys. Okay, keep this in mind here. Just want you to just notice something too. Okay, a lot of wicks. Okay, so just be very mindful here. Look, maybe if you took this trade, guys, maybe look to take some profits here. Okay, you scale out. If you think it's going to break, then we'll break. But if not, then like I said, be patient with it. Okay, let it do its thing. Let it sell off. Okay, let's see that GJ trade. Head fake city, guys. Look at that. Pushed right back up. Found some support. See? Right around that 200, guys. That's why I said usually later at night, you're going to get this consolidation kind of like up, down area. But those are powerful candles there, guys. So that's shooting back into the potential buy area. Okay, so if it starts to break here, you know what I mean? That's powerful. Okay, very powerful. All right, this overall sell, if you took it, 2 pips. Okay, but I'm looking for the breakdown here, guys. Okay, I'm okay with making that mistake of a loss, losing it, and now we're looking at getting up here. So I'm saying look for the break, retest. Let's see if it's going to hold here for then walk its way up. All right, so because it's been bullish, guys. That's it to there. Okay, let's wait and see. See how it's right above the 200 W double bottom breakout here. Might have a nice different pattern formation. This is going to be slow trading right now here. I can tell you right now on GBP JPY. Am I finding lower high and lower low on the 5-min? Yeah, you can see I was like for GJ. Okay, nice and low, then it broke above the parallel channel above the 200. Okay, found some support, and now it's potentially putting back up in the zone area. But look guys, see the zone right here? Okay, look, it's pushing back up into here. It's wanting to put it right in there. Okay, and that's just because it's been there previous. Look at all that consolidation before on the 200. Okay, very choppy. GJ's choppy right now. Okay, you should see this thing when it does London and that kind of stuff. It's a lot better than it is now. Okay, we want the overall trends. All right, we had the nice little breakout there. You know what I mean? 10 pips. Okay, sold off. Might have another sell entry, potential buy entry right now. All right, we just have to wait and see how it's going to work. But right now, guys, it's just choppy. Okay, there's US 30 on that sell with the retest. It dropped and made even lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so it's looking good. Check out odd USD. Still just waiting for that breakout. Okay, doing JPY, nice little bullish breakout. Okay, we're now same thing, guys. We're coming to these nice little potential breakout areas here. GBP odd, guys. Trust me, I'm trying to save you a lot of hassle with prematurely entering it. You see what I'm saying? I keep saying that every time I go to this pair. We're gonna get the we're gonna get the move, guys. I'm telling you right now, and we'll catch it to the next. Look at gold. Still, I told you, not much is happening on gold. Okay. Okay, see what I'm saying? So now they're finding a little bit of a break and retest here. Okay, gold could be looking potentially bullish here. Okay, wait and see. This wick broke above here. Okay, so it's looking like a nice little uptrend. We'll wait and see. Okay. Guys, we got so many pairs. So guys, people ask about the DXY, okay? US dollar index, all right? You can see I've done it, I've used it before, charted it, but don't really use it too much. Like you can definitely, it has correlations for sure, but you know what I mean? I like to just free scalp. Double bottom breakout on the DXY. You can see right here, it's prime. It sold off, found a bottom, neckline, found some support, came up to here, tried to break. There's your retest, broke the next candle, and then it's steady uptrend, guys. Okay, you can spot these things all day, even on your indices here. Okay, here's your retest, guys. Careful your spreads too, guys. A lot of spreads are pretty high. All right, so look to take some profits now. All right, you know what I mean? Scale out a little bit. You know, you paid yourself. You know what I mean, for waiting for that trade. Okay, roughly up 10 pips. Okay, maybe take some profits, guys. They add up. Trust me when I say that. All right, look at GU. Still selling off, waiting for the retest here, but it's still making higher highs. GU looks good, guys. GU looks really good. GJ retesting here, guys. All right. Check out Euro. Euro's priming, guys. Euro's priming up for a nice move. Okay, you can bet your ass in the morning you're going to see nice moves here. Trust me. Why are they I keep going off. That's weird. Every time I keep going up. Sorry, guys. Okay, so we're looking to get to 1.17534. Okay, so that could be a nice little breakout. Take a little bit longer than normal. 7 pips for potential like 20 pip move. Okay. Now we're down to some of the guys who wanted me to do some charting for them. Okay. Odd USD. Little uptrend forming some support here. Okay. But now getting some resistance. We've had this big bullish trend right here. That's crazy. Caught that. Guys, that breakout right there, which happened right there, all out there, 34 pips, 35 pips. Okay. Beautiful. Zealand JPY still kind of consolidating. See how it got rejected at the double bottom? Boom. They had the breakout. See right there? They broke it out at the neckline, sold it up, and now huge rejection right out here, okay? Zealand JPY, guys. Consolidation. She breaks up. She's going to the upside. Breaks at 200. Going to there. She breaks below it, guys. She can definitely test there or maybe even below. Alright. That's New Zealand JPY. New Zealand is priming. Okay, US 30, guys. Let's see what's going on. See how they're doing that retest still? Okay. Wait and see if it's going to fall. This is your double top pattern, guys. M patterns, okay? It's just retesting the initial entry, okay? So it's probably going to, if it holds here, guys, it might sell off down to here. If it finds some support, like I said, it might curl up into here a little bit. So that's what I'm telling you. Look to take your support, take your profits, guys, okay? There's gold, guys. Look at gold. You got that breakout there, okay? If she breaks here, guys, gold is going to run to 1752. All right. We waited all night for this breakout. Let's see if it's going to actually be confirmed. Diego, you're in Bitcoin. You'll do well with that Bitcoin sell, man. I think it's going to be good. See how they're holding that support of that neckline? They've tried so many times to get above here, okay? This is the next area of rejection if it starts to break above here for gold, okay? 1752 area. That initial entry buy bullish candle was 8 pips, okay? We want this, so it's going to be 17 pips, okay? Then if it breaks up there, obviously, guys, so it can run. You can also notice there's a potential head and shoulder pattern here. Okay, I don't know if many people notice that, but yeah, it has, for sure, man. Resistance, shoulder, head, shoulder, okay? So then now the breakthrough is right here, guys, okay? So let's see, this is inverse head and shoulder gold on the 5 minutes, okay? Okay, 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to read the comments now. $18.51. 1851.32. Yeah, so roughly here. They might, guys, like I said, they might break it out or they might continue it down, like you said. Okay, it's heavy resistance around this area. Trust me, they've tried so many times. All right, this is that big wick they tried to push up here. Then it's been constant resistance, guys. So if we drag this over, this is what it looks like. This is that very big resistance, guys. Very big resistance. Okay. UJ bounce, guys. Yeah. We didn't chart this one tonight for some reason. We will next time, okay? US 30, so still finding, testing that support, guys. Reversing, okay? So look to take your profits, guys. I said that 3 times now, okay, for US 30, all right? All right. Go back to gold here. There you go, guys. Let's go. Got that gold. Okay, looking good. Guys, that's an inverse head and shoulder, okay? That's a reversal pattern, okay? This is what we were looking for. I didn't know it would turn into this, but yeah, I know what resistance, eh, Diego? That's what I'm saying, my man. This is the resistance area right here, 1752. That's the one I was telling you because these previous 2 wicks. This is the one I had drawn, okay? But that's nice, guys. That's a nice trade, for real. That's running, guys, hard. Like, that thing's 16 pips, right? Nasdaq is still doing garbage, but I'm still seeing some nice uptrend opportunity here, guys. That was where it fell through. Right there, okay? Pushed up, wicked up, bodies holding there, and then it fell through there with the big bearish candle. Wait and see, okay? Usually we get a better move on Nasdaq, but it hasn't been like that tonight. Okay, so just be patient with this. There's that gold, guys. Inverse head. It breaks, guys. It can go at least maybe up to there. We'll see. Who knows? That's pushing it. That's real pushing it, okay? But again, above the 200 looking for buys, so it's looking all right. Okay, guys, so as you can see now, initial entry was right here, okay? Look, it had some resistance 3 times, and then we notice that's an inverse head and shoulder pattern for the breakout, okay? That's a big breakout, guys. That's nice. Especially at like 12 o'clock at night, you know what I mean? Gold moves, guys. Nasdaq does not right now. Okay, there's that US 30. So it's getting that retest there, guys. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of people probably held gold for sure, man. They held it down here. They sold it off. Okay, boom, 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 and then it broke through. But again, guys, look for it to sell off now and get to this area back before I make its next move up. Okay, trust me when I say I think that has a lot of opportunity for it. So there's US 30, guys, holding some resistance. All right. There we go, guys. There's Euro JPY, the bigger breakout. See if we can get a nice move. Okay, it's steady uptrend, guys. Look at that. 2.5 pips. We're gonna probably, like, if it can still run, you know what I mean? 5 pips, not bad. Scalp in and out, guys. 5-minute candles. New Zealand JPY. Potential breakout, guys, forming very, very closely. Okay, it's getting held at 200. You can see that there's a nice move. You know what I mean? You can see that it's making its way up here, okay? For Bitcoin, man, honestly, I haven't even looked at it. Like, I flipped to it, but I haven't charted it, so I wouldn't really know. I'm not about to chart Bitcoin too, guys. We had like 8 charts going tonight, okay? So, but we'll do another crypto session where you can join up and we can do that. So just like and subscribe to the channel, and just wait for us to do the crypto, okay? Euro JPY getting rejected, guys. So here's the retest candle. It's going to come back down and test the 200, all right? Guys, remember, these pairs, they don't move like indices or gold, okay? So this is more long time. Like, this is long term. So I'm driving things like this, having my sells down here, you know, and it's all going to have to do with this consolidation area. Everything, okay? So we're going to have it on there. Okay, and we have a sell down here. Okay. US 30, guys, still dumping. Look at this. Look at that. Finding some support here, but look at that trade, guys. There's GU forming again. Let's see if it's going to continue that uptrend. All right. Now I'm seeing more of this kind of uptrend forming here. Might need to move my trend line and hug it. Okay. Let's wait and see now. Okay, it's got to start breaking this area right here. Go to Euro now. Look at Euro, guys. Still holding that uptrend. Inverse head and shoulder breakout, okay? Let's wait and see if we're going to get this. That's the target, guys. Remember, this is higher time frame, guys. We're looking long time on this, okay? Look at gold selling that little retest, okay? So we get rejected there. Getting some push down, all right? But this is still looking good, guys. Has a lot of opportunity for like a reversal to try to test the 1752 again, okay? GJ, look at GJ, guys. Okay. Drinking coffee at 1 in the morning, why not? Okay, so let's go at that US 30, guys. So it's still forming. Okay, it's still a lot of top wick, all right? So guys, on the US 30, we scalped this. We waited for this for a long time. Roughly 20 pips. Okay, we're maybe up 10. So 30 pips overall so far on US 30 on the 5-minute, okay? GU is still making its way up here, okay? It's getting some held up at some kind of resistance at 1.38747, but if it starts to break through there, guys, it can really have a nice higher high, higher low impact, okay? GJ is getting some break, but getting rejected and held up right at 153.4144, okay? Euro is still forming, guys. So Euro's priming for a breakout here. Okay, we'll see if it's going to go, but just keep in mind, guys, that it's got into this area before and then it sold off. So if it's got to have a lot of push, it's got to make it to at least set 1.17533. Okay, we have our gold. Okay, so gold is going bullish. Okay, finding some support here. See if it'll test that 152 area again. Okay, Nasdaq is selling off. All right, kind of broke that downtrend. Now slowly going into the stop loss area again. Okay, then we have odd USD got rejected at the initial potential entry. Okay, so I'm saying it's forming an uptrend, having a break. See what I'm saying? So for and New Zealand JPY, guys, you had to wait for that break. A little bit of a head fake, rejected at the 200 and push back down. Okay, Euro JPY is looking very nice. Nice little breakout opportunity happening here. Okay, we'll see if we can get that nice little trend. Couple pips in profit, you know what I mean? So it's looking good. GA, still saving everyone right now. Okay, no major breakouts have happened for GA on the break up or break down. Okay, so I'm saying, so we're just waiting now. Okay, let's go over them again. US 30 selling off nicely, guys. Look at that. A lot of buyers in the market though. Okay, let's check out GU now. Getting a little rejected at the top. Okay, falling back in. Still following this overall uptrend though. Okay. Then we have a GJ pushing up again, guys. GJ is nice. GJ got a nice little trade on GJ. All right. Okay, guys, I'm probably going to go for about 10 more minutes. All right. And then my partner Ron's going to go at roughly, I think, 8 in the morning. Okay. So check that out, guys. What we're going to be trading is... So 8:30, guys, you're going to see that red folder news. We're going to hit that. Today, gold had a nice little sell-off before a huge push to the upside, guys. That's why gold has been bullish. All right. So news. So let's make sure to check that out. Okay. And guys, one thing you want to keep in mind too is, like, when we're trading this, guys, it's always using smaller lot sizes, you know, capable to your account, and always trying to practice your key support areas for support and resistance. Okay, so when you understand this, it's going to be a lot more effective when you can like spot your chart patterns, inverse head and shoulder breakouts. You know what I mean? Key areas of resistance right up here, we know. Okay, we would have liked to get that trade down there. We've following it up so far, right? The best entry for down here was right here at 1.7425, because you would have caught that next bullish candle, then it walked its way up. But again, we're just gonna wait, and this is more of a higher time frame trade. Okay. All right. Let's check out US 30 again. So here's that secondary retest, guys. Okay. GU still holding that overall uptrend. All right, looking good. GJ selling off a little bit. All right. Look for it to maybe sell off into this consolidation area before making its next move. Euro's looking good, pushing up. All right. Gold is still bullish. Look at that. I told you it would come back and test the 152 area. All right. Okay, guys, it's getting a little late tonight, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, like I said, for another 10 minutes. Then you can join in the morning and stuff like that, okay? Let's check out NAS for a second, too. NAS is selling, yeah, it's still kind of slow. Odds selling off, okay? Let's see if it's going to hold that and potentially break after. We'll wait and see. Okay, New Zealand JPY is still holding, all right? Then it's got to continue. All right, the path for this is watch. Overall, maybe a retest. Okay, and then a continuation. All right, so I'm saying, same with this. This starts to break down. Okay, so let's go on NAS. I got a question. Should I close my buy on NAS? Yeah, because it's approaching there, guys. Because, like I said, depending on where you got in, like if you're in here, like you know what I mean, you had profits, you probably should have taken them. You know, we had the key area drawn here, so you would have been up roughly maybe 6.5 pips. Okay, then it sold off. So my suggestion would be to you, if like you're not over leveraging and using crazy lot sizes, I would probably close it. Okay, even if you were, I would most likely close it. The profit area is roughly up here. Okay, it's very choppy Nasdaq tonight. There's not much we could do about it. You know what I mean? We'll wait till the next move. We'll get to tomorrow, and we'll catch a little better play, guys. But as you can see, it was chop. Same with gold, same with US 30, same with a little bit. But we waited a long time for some of these moves to come through. Okay, so just didn't play out for us tonight on Nasdaq. Okay. So getting rejected again. Okay, US 30. Okay, subscriber. Nubia, thanks buddy for joining. Yeah, subscribe, man. You'll get the notification for tomorrow. Okay, 8 a.m. we'll start and we'll be good to go. Okay, so make sure to just check it out. Thanks for subscribing, dude. So US 30 is still potentially in that nice little sell. See how they're holding that resistance, okay? And they're trying to push it down. All right. GU selling off. Okay, finding some resistance there. Just be patient with it. All right. Still could push back up and sell. This is an overall trade, guys. So this is long term. We're looking at these on 5 minutes, right? When they were drawn on higher time frames. That's what I mean. 15-minute. All right. So we had the initial. We've waited a lot of these candles, guys, for real. We were starting this. So we've had this trade done for a while, and it's just kind of fruitioned. All right. GJ selling right off, guys. Okay, so this is a key. This is 5 minutes now. Big bearish candle there, guys. Ran a nice amount of pips. Okay. 4 pips and sold off. Okay, so let's see if we're going to hold that overall uptrend. I had an uptrend drawn here. Okay, starting to approach the 200. All right, so guys, if you're in the buy, like I said, you look take some profits. If not, let it ride out. Okay. Same with euro getting rejected. Nor, yeah, buddy, it is slow, man. Sometimes it's really good. Like last night, we caught some good market, some good entries, but tonight it's very, very slow. That's what I'm saying. I'm probably gonna call it, guys. You know what I mean? Go to like 12:40, another 4 minutes, and then, like I said, we'll repick it up in the morning. Okay. I know when to call it quits because I don't want to just keep looking at these trades and they're gonna head fake and this and that, right? So it's something that I just want to make sure that we're looking at good entries on. So like look at Nasdaq. We said it was gonna be a sell, and now it's holding in a buy. right? So let's just wait and see here. Okay, got a nice little question coming in. Yeah, bro, MG for sure, man. I know. Usually, guys, like for real, when we trade, we usually trade gold, US 30, we've Bitcoin, you know what I mean, indices, this and that. We're gonna get back into pairs, guys, because a lot of our guys are doing funding talent. All right, and as you can tell, we're looking to chart overall higher time frames, but when we're trading tomorrow, I know Ron's going to do maybe GU, EU along with this stuff. So we're going to get those nice little candles, okay? Starting for London, we're also going to do that as well. So you're going to notice I'm starting to draw chart a lot more pairs. Okay, so I'm just waiting to see what's actually going to happen on them on the 5 minute. Then I'm going to flip after I'm done this call and look at them on the higher time frame. Okay, so but I totally agree, man. 7 until 9 a.m. Euro and the pound move hard. Okay, so thanks for the tip on that. It's good for everyone to learn that too. You know what I mean? See how they bounced it off, sold it right off, and hold it on that 200, guys. New Zealand JPY, same kind of thing, holding, bouncing. Euro JPY sold off, guys. Don't worry, we're gonna get these overall moves. Okay, don't worry about this. GA still consolidating. All right. Okay, there's US 30. Started to push up a little bit, getting another retest. Nice and slow. GU holding support, right? And then gold trying to push up, okay? Okay, guys. 2 more minutes. Is there any questions? Guys, for the members in our group, okay, I'm going to flip to these all on hour time frames and then we're going to let this play out. Okay, you have the key areas for take profit and everything. I'll update you pretty much on the fly because I'm going to do a few things, go to maybe bet around 233 and then be up for the morning session. So I'll update you with all this kind of stuff, okay? For the guys who are trading that are not part of that, you know what I mean? If you want to be part of it, like I said, just head over to our website, stocksnumbertrading.com, okay, and scroll down there. Just drop your email in the newsletter. All right, we're not going to spam you, okay? We're going to send you pretty much our blogs, trade recaps, what's going on in the market, pretty much good information, okay? So, for example, the blog was intro. We had a blog breakdown here on the chart, news, ABCDs, my profit ticket, okay? Then we had a sell opportunity and we took it and it's done live, okay? So what you can do, guys, you can check out the membership as well. It's only 29, okay? We have a huge, really good community chat right now, private webinars. We do scalping power hours from now on for our private guys. So, you know, 3 to 4 p.m. we're going to be doing market closes, so it's going to be have a nice volatile sessions, okay? And also, guys, you get a 52-week course that we've created for you, and all webinars are uploaded to the website. On top of that, 3 to 5 trade ideas per day. I've sent 5 roughly today so far, so make sure to check it out and always pay it forward, guys. That's why me and Ron started this, so you can check it out, okay? So, but guys, if there's no further questions, it's 12:40. I'm gonna probably end the call, and we're gonna have a nice little rest until the morning. All right. US 30 is still dropping. It's looking very nice for a sell. Okay, so keep that holding in mind. Okay. Take profit for US 30 if it continues in the sell is 35.471, and then 35.459 if it starts to break here. Okay. So just keep that in mind. All right. Same with gold. If gold can hold above here, guys, look for it to break above and get to 1753.67. If it's going to sell off, it'll hold 1751. If it breaks there, guys, they can get all the way back down to 1749. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, if there's no further questions, thank you so much for joining in. Like I said, check us out at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll have a really good session. And, guys, for our members, like I said, I'll update you in a little bit. If not, probably early tomorrow morning. Okay. So, thank you so much for joining, guys. 8 o'clock tomorrow. Let's have a good one, and we'll see you then. All right. Good night.